Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Antasha, Karen Robino. Walk down, walk down.
The tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people. Let's go.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But I leave for me damn bad mind. It can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Check 1 3 1 3 1 3. You know, say something off with them levels. I don't know. It's why I go and something sound low, man. Eh? Thing that sound lower to the people. Something. Something sound lower than usual, you know. Milo, why I go down? Yo, big up on yourself, you know, people. It's another week, another week, another week. Larger proof for larger, bigger proof for big up. Everything is everything seen. Watch your right. We is our... I need new glasses. Yeah. Yeah, I need new glasses. Yeah, man, I'm a good man. Oh, that sassy. S-A-S-S-I-I. Yeah, man, I'm a good man. Good man. Everything balance up, you see me? All right? Patricia Fisher Williams. I see the follow. Big up yourself. One Craig down in the place. Down summer while go down. Kimberly. Cookie Monstrous, Monsieur. Big Beer, while go down. Now just put yourself, you know. Ladies. Right away. I don't know we always are telling the sound of be careful of the woman them who, you know, who always are going to all kind of advice for leave on the people them and all these things, right? Be careful of the people them who always have volunteer all kind of advice to, you know, right? But them not tell you for them business, don't. We always are saying for weary of them people, they don't. There's another set of women out there want to for weary of, you know, ladies. I mean, I talk to the ladies them right now. And for a long time now, them a travel under the radar, you know. I'm not picking on any group. I'm not picking on any group. And a lot of what I share with you guys here, often it is from what people said to me, you know, what people, you know, people come talk to me, and I may see like a commonality, you know, some of the things them presented to me. I may see like a common narrative there and things like that, so me just come and share it to them. But, well, before we get into that, roll call, one of them. Let me see one of them. Kind of look, forget a look of sense of that. Where are you watching from, right? And don't just give me the country, give me the city. All right, so Mika there, you don't know, so she over up on the West Coast, no. Trini is in Brantford, in Canada. Colleen Dawkins is in the Bronx. We see East Granby, Connecticut, always here. All right. DJ Zion in the building, Hamden, Connecticut. Yeah, you know, me don't want to look a girlfriend. Me don't want to look a girlfriend at Hamden, Connecticut. I never get it, you know. Yeah. You know them time where you put in the work and you're dead there and whatever. And it never run. Me never get it. But me not gonna lie to you, you know. No, me not gonna lie. You know, say, I mean, drop the catch this, so me did forget that. No, man, you see that Hamden moved and me did forget. College days. I was at the University of Connecticut. And this young, she did like me off, you know. But let me tell you, at the same time, I'm go easy, yeah, man, because I move with my spirit, you know. Yeah, man, I move with my spirit, man. Whenever meet somebody and them tick off all of the box them and thing and whatever, if you say, yeah, and them like you, and I drive for you too and whatever, and you did initially like them, and then somehow make you just say, you know, feel it, for even push for it, yeah. Whenever in that position there, You're like, yeah, you know, that person fit the bill right through. But you just not feel it and you just say, boy, you're not gonna force it. But I being big up yourself, you know, me see you. Oh, whenever in that position there, where, you know, yeah, somebody a juggle and them come over nice and everything balance up and thing, but you just not feel it for say, all right, even inch forward, you know, you just leave it neutral and just make it stay right there. And don't force it, you know. You know, you have a sneeze and it the right there, but it now come up, like it come up and not easy, but it now come up the sneeze, don't sure. People in Jamaica, them a ball for cool. A beer ball, them a ball at Jamaica say cool, I whap them up down there. 40 degrees Fahrenheit, you know, down at Mandeville, you know. No, that cool by Jamaica. You don't know Mandeville always cool. Mandeville always cool and thing, I want. But that cool. Because 40 degrees cool, you know. Yeah, and worse if breeze they with it and thing. But Jamaica breeze ever different from upper breeze. We have the frigid breeze, you know. But I be a ball them a ball along them and say cool I whap them up. I like right across the island them a ball. Not to me, you know some place where always cool, like Mandeville, up at Castleton, and them people who will live up in the hills and whatever. Me, I say cool, I clot them up. Yeah, Lion Spice, all Mantiga be a ball, them a ball. Karen Webber said, cool, a Mandeville. Yeah, man. Me I talk to my General Bruce today, you know. Bruce, Wallace, big up yourself, you know. And Bruce, I said, no, man, the cool billions down the pan them, man. I know nothing, nah, man. John Taylor, Spur Tree are usually one cold place. Well, it near Mandeville, you know, relatively speaking. Blue Mountain at 9 degrees. Up there go cold. Blue Mountain cold all the way. With the sassy, go and talk my doobs. My water warm, you know, me I go beat. Sassy, where you there? Sassy, where you there? You there at Jamaica? Eh? Coolville, cool. Oh no, it is probably a post where you watch from though. Sassy at Jamaica, you there? Donick, where you going, Donick? My big friend Donick. Why my big friend Donick, where you going? What that Donick, anybody at Jamaica? Oh, you're there, Linstead, Sassy, big up yourself. Donick, I want. And what that me see the pitney do, Donick? One of your students ain't gonna tell lie upon you, don't it, mama? Boy, when the student ain't tell lie upon you, no nothing normal, you know, Donick. I'm going to charge you that, you know. I'm real charge you that, you know. Big up yourself, you know, Donny. Linstead. You see over Linstead? Them the rap. You see over Linstead? Them the ram for look them one another funeral over Linstead. Listen to me. People in ramp for look them one another over Linstead and Yuatan. Me no know, I must see one thing over there. It's like when you go catch man and catch woman, you go funeral over Linstead and Yuatan. Over Linstead and Yuatan, then a ramp for look man and woman, then a catch man and catch woman at funerals. Is a thing. But anyway, man, one quick thing for say to them. Yeah, so me I say ladies, listen to me now. And again, me not pick pan a group, right? Because uno know it go. Uno know it. Raga get beaten all the while, and I take my beating and thing or whatever. Because I understand the game. Come on. But ladies, Some of you know not read certain play out there, so I could just keep it straight and thing. Here we are going. For the most part, Western societies were still like existing in a patriarchy, male-dominated society, okay? For the most part. But let us admit it. Over the years, women have achieved certain liberations and things, so there's certain freedoms where women have and things where them never have before. Right? There's certain freedom where women have now where them never have before. Right? It take the game not change, you know, still man around the thing, you know, and, you know, to no detriment very often, you know, disadvantage very often and thing, but and keeping it real, Raga, or your thumb so long. Yo, what is this thing with women and fingers, man? Y'all like, man, I know ain't a woman. What is this thing with y'all and fingers, man? You just into fingers and appear like extraordinary attention to fingers. It's like a thing, we don't know. Anyway, so over the years, women have achieved certain freedom and, you know, some type of increased mobility to explore different areas of living and so forth. And one of the things them were increased, listen to me I know, more woman like more woman. More women like more women. We keep it 100. I gotta talk to you. Listen to me, right? Many of you in my age group, me no need for tell you no. The amount of woman now where I look woman and I draw for woman. We. Not only that, back in our time, woman don't even did like look woman in pan road. Me I tell you no. Some of you probably things it still a go on them time there, you know, for a long time, you know. But woman never even look woman, me I tell you no. It was never even mentioned. Ask anybody if I lie, me I tell you. Where we come from, particularly where we come from, you never hear no woman a chat about woman and look them. It was just non-existent. It just never did it. What did I go on? Did I go on Screechy, James Screechy and all these things, see? Now, keeping it real, that one man card, she just said that for trigger me, you know, right? It just said that for trigger me. But me now make she beat me today, you know. She rage beat me, you know. But that one man cause it. No, and a woman cause it. No for uno love pum pum. And go on like uno not like pum pum and I go on like say uno want come put it on way, right? Because the other point me I get to, you have enough woman, uno feel free now for experiment now. Uno feel free for experiment. Uno feel free if you look at woman and say, boy, she look good, you wonder what it would be like and whatever this and that. But true, uno no want admit it. Say una feel sitting inside of uno for eat another lady's burger or to experience what it like. Uno come and blame man. No for uno sit woman out there now because the thing kind of broad, you know, and thing and whatever this and that. And I say, boy, she look good, that good looking, she looks sexy. I wonder what it would be like if because you know uno woman and the curiosity thing, you know, I found a thing that no found, you know. But what me I say is, the real point where me I get at, seeing, right? Ladies, no for uno have woman a steer one away from uno man. I wanna think say I just woman and look out for woman and think that a time I nyam them one nyam off your burger. You understand? When ladies, uno pick it up quick, you know. When a man a steering a ride in the car, he want jump up in your belly or sitting like so and whatever and railway. So he want, you know, him a bad mouth another man where you deal with or whatever and all them thing there. Uno pick up that quick, you know. Boy, see true, uno already accustomed to this thing about sisterhood, right? No pun intended. Sisterhood, yeah. Yeah, some woman out there strap on, so you can say, yeah, well, here is a sisterhood. Boom. I'm joking. But anyway, when I say, you see, true, uno used to that something that was society condition, uno can hug, uno hold hand together, all somehow uno shower together and I mean nothing about it. Uno change in front of uno one another and thing and all them something that we man, we don't do them something there, you know? Right? We not do them something then, right? Remember one time, some brethren them, one brethren say, yo, we're going to watch one show. And when we go to the theater, read brethren, read. A man can sit down right beside me in the theater, and right away is like me get one anxiety attack. Because I need a Jamaican man would never do that. He not come sit. The place must full around the 2 seat left, But I need a Jamaican man, he not sit down beside you, So me now being who I am, I kind of check myself and I say, what's going on here? You feel some sort of, you're experiencing some sort of anxiety. What's good? I say, oh, him come sit down right beside. Remember, we were raised in society where you take a road, but you're going to take a road taxi and 1 seat left and at the seat beside the driver and whatever, and you're not going on it as a man, you rather stay out there with a road. Because that's how we raised, right? That's how we raised. So we men, we not do them something there, right? But you want to grow up that way, uno hunger, uno this, and I don't mean nothing about it, a lot of women relate to each other with certain closeness and affection, and y'all, you can be physical with each other, etc., 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 and thing. Because of that, sometime when some woman a screech your pound, uno don't see it a come. And based on some meds where when me a year and think, with long time something, don't know nothing new, but by the time I catch up on and thing and whatever, uno shock. Right? And the woman them who do them something and them really good at it, them know when for time, man. Right? Them know when for time, Them know when for, time pedal, come out with it when you least expect it, and when you're in at the shock at that time, them take advantage of it and thing like that. Again, people, I'm not here to rail against lesbians or anything like that. I'm just telling you some things where, some woman share with me and thing like that. And then when you meds it out and thing, you find, say, you have these women out there, they will see somebody who them like, and they're pursuing their interests. Them now look out for your interests. So you did it. I share with them problems about what you got through with your husband and your man and whatever. And you bunks and you need some help. Which it might be that you want to stay in your relationship, but you need some help, somebody for just guide and whatever. But if the person, really like you, like how your back round up and all your nipple them up and all them something, and them want to bite up your neck and all these things and whatever, or them want to put up your right foot in your ear and stretch your left foot between them leg, and when them done with it and thing, know yes, them I imagine all kind of thing with you and you don't even know. And that me a focus on right now. Right? And you end up now start to sabotage your relationship with your gentleman and whatever, know say other person who you think can look out for you. Them just a pursue for them interests. So this is not a diatribe against lesbians or any form of same-sex thing. I'm just saying, ladies, just as how you have women out there who for them relationship now go on good, and in a sneaky way, them want to sabotage your thing. Because here will nothing go good too, right? Because some form of jealousy and thing. Just as how you're familiar with instances from men who routinely, in pursuing their interests and their objectives to exploit you in some way sexually or even for a relationship or whatever, and would very cleverly, manipulate you into not exploring options that could improve your relationship with your inner based on the problems and what you share with them, because they're so focused on pursuing their interests. Just as I want to know certain people like that about long time. I just want to remind someone, I tell someone who know. Say, yo, the thing open up now out there now. Nuff woman love woman. Nuff more woman. One woman. In fact, you have a whole heap of woman out there who don't want woman and thing, but just want experience certain things. And one day with no woman, We keep it real. You have enough woman out there want know what it is like for, so and so with a woman and whatever. But then you have the real player them out there now who know the game. And ladies, we men do it, right? When we want a woman and thing and whatever, want to jump up in our belly, we act like we are the most supportive friend. And when you tell we your problems, then we there listen and think, but in our mind, right in our mind, as you slip, you slide. In our mind, we just there listen and have tried to be that guy who is always there with the hopes that we can drown on your baggy. Right? When me did I do road a regular thing that you make sure say you be that guy where you not rush the front right away. You be that guy who will listen. You be that guy who act like you care. You be that guy, you're the sounding board. You be that guy who have empathy, compassion, sensitivity. You be that guy, you want that woman to reach a point where she has said, you different, because you just understand. And you know, stay like them other man that who all the pan them mind is sex. And when we hear that, we say, you know what I mean? You know me want to jump up in your belly. Me not while you. Right? Uno know say man dancer. All me I say to uno say, you have woman who dancer too. That's all me I say to uno. Right? I'm in a business who want to sleep with who, as long as you not grow adults and you know consensual and whatever. For the business, that is not my business. That is not my business. Me just say, you have someone who know, on end up a sabotage on a relationship and whatever. On end up there were things you could have do to build back in a relationship with a good man. But choose somebody that around you who you end up at trust, who deliberately, by design, with intentionality, set out for win your trust and whatever. And then you end up the value with them say and whatever. And them so patient and meticulous and think in their incremental manipulation in guiding you for satisfy their interests. You not see it. You understand? And before you know it, you lay down the boat. Oh my God, no, I can't believe me I do this. No, move your mouth, no, move your mouth. Stop. And while they say stop and whatever, you wet up them face same way, no. All right? That's all me I say. Just know, say you have them woman out there. Just like how we man turn that way there when we, when we are set out for the thing and when we say, yo, we can't come in and look at idiot. And like I said, with she right now, you can't do a rush the thing, you have to go patient with she. When you know say man do them something there. Like when I say, John, you have to go put in some time to get that right there, Yeah. And we juggle and wait and thing and whatever. And we start notice when after we did there, listen, we start notice when you talk to me and you start touch we know, And when I say, yeah. Or when something going, you go lean pan, we start notice them look at something there and I say, yes, man, it a work, shall get comfortable with me, Right? And then you test her. Breeze her for several days. And she say, were you there? When I hear from Nakal and can't hear from you in your mind. I say, yeah, man. And you did their work and all in our fear mind, you are just this mature listening ear that, you have no designs upon them or whatever. When, that really are going on. Women are doing it too. And the woman, them better on it. The one them who do them something, them better on it than we. Because them understand woman more than we. Right? Lesbian players, they are attuned to the subtle nuances in female behavior substantially more than men are, And them come over like, you are the priority. Your feelings are the priority. Your welfare is a priority. What is best for you is a priority. When really them a pursue them one interest. Really them just want draw on your baggy and then you may end up a dash for a good relationship with, because you end up a talk to the wrong person about it. somebody who is attracted to you, 99% of the time, somebody who is attracted to you and want you and whatever, nah go give you the advice that is best for you in your relationship. Because they're hindered by that based on their goal, based on the goals that they have with you. See? So it's just a thing I just want to know because I mean, sometimes you bounce it off a couple women and I'm surprised that in this day and age, women are say, no. Them don't know of any. Them don't know of anybody. What the fuck? What the? TikTok. Them don't know of any woman who do them something there. And them can't imagine any woman do them something there and whatever. Like them I say, no, them never observe anything like that and think. And all I'm saying is sometimes they're right in front of you, but you don't ever see it because you don't expect it, because you're conditioned not to expect it. So me I say, all right? But quick o'clock, as soon as a man come and ask you what time you have and whatever, the weird man they ask you what time you have, you know if I look the man there, I look you right away if him really want to know the time. When you pick up them, there's something there quick. Right? Quick. You just feel it. When a man come and him not put no looking arguments to you, but him come and interact with you in some way, you feel it, you know it. Most of you woman, some of you naive and don't know the game for true, all right? Because me used to, and you have some woman really like clueless, like, you have some woman, man I look them and them really, know, so the man I look them, it just fly over them head, them things. Yo, now man, you have some woman out there, me have some friend like that. All the while, man I look them, I didn't see that, I didn't get, and them really don't get it. Them just clueless when man I look them, right? But most of you woman, if you walk in a one place with 50 man in there, without even looking upon the man them face, you know the 4 man who look upon you and I use a you take off your clothes off of you. You just know. You feel it. You feel it. Right? You just know when a man come up and him sincere and inquire about something or him really go him nah say nothing out of that, But you just feel the energy. Say, say that boy I like me and whatever. And you will respond in kind, but you don't pick it up already where him up to. Right? Right? You walk in a room and 10 man a look upon you. And you just know 2 out of the 10. Say, hey, no, you know what level them depend based on how them a look upon you. You know that already. And all me I tell you is that you have woman who stay the same way too. No found no blind to the woman them. And specifically, pointedly, with the main reason I'm bringing this up today, based on some discourse that I've had, is that somehow know I throw some good things. I don't know the reason why I not throw some good things. When I get advice from people who want draw, from women who want draw down on a baggy, I don't even know. You understand what I say? Anyway, I want to come up in a chat now and talk up and things like that and sit. Okay. Good evening, Miss Blame Man for everything.
Raga.
Yeah, wicked. Yeah,
Raga.
wicked. Yeah, wicked. Now make sure beat you from the tomorrow.
Raga.
I'm on fault. I'm on fault.
No.
Jesus, I'm not tired for blame with for the chances they want to make. Damn.
Listen, stop shelling out our secrets. Stop it.
Talk to me.
Stop selling out our secrets.
What you mean our secrets? So you know which secret we had that
You know.
Me?
You know.
Yeah,
listen. Boy, I'm telling you, I really hate to go there, but I have to go there.
You could go there because you know me
The
go
truth must
me
be
go down
told
there with
because
you.
I keep it real.
Yeah, I keep it real.
I keep it real. Yeah, you have to have your backup, man. When it's not happening, you have to have your backup. And
What do
there are
you
a
mean? What do you
lot of willing
mean?
participants. You know
What?
what I mean?
No. Back up.
Stop,
Oh, I
stop
mean,
play, stop playing ignorance. You know what I
no.
know.
Seriously. Remember, I talk about a couple. I mean, I focus on one thing, but what's the backup though?
Listen, if I tell you, they're gonna block me on here.
No. You have to tell me. Cause you can't come joke out the thing, so right? We're big people are reason, so you have to tell me. And if we're gonna battle, we battle. If we're gonna rumble, we
Listen,
rumble. If we're gonna agree, we agree. If we're gonna disagree, we disagree. But say what you say. Yeah.
okay, the same way you have your side sausage,
Yeah.
you have to have your side sandwich.
Well, no, but what you mean? So you said, when you mean
Because
I
because
this
be-
right
be-
there right now?
because
Yeah.
because the side sausage doesn't hold as much as a sandwich does. Read
Jesus.
between the lines.
What are they? Weird. Well, you know, so we need to turn on them something a little bit. One,
Listen,
let me ask you something. Cause
yes.
me like to learn. Cause well, me know, women are liberated now, and more women have a look aside man who them juggle with for different reasons. And
No, sweetie.
no, hold
No, it's
on.
not side. It's side dick, not man.
Oh, I stand corrected. So he's just there for his dick, right?
That's it.
Listen, it's just your dick. Don't get it twisted. Man. Don't start getting creative now
Don't,
and
don't,
start.
yeah, don't, yeah,
It's just
yeah.
your dick, right?
Yes.
Just make sure your dick work and make sure it work when you say it for work and thing. And then when you're done,
And if it doesn't
please
work,
to go.
and if it doesn't work enough, don't reach for the sandwich.
All right then, cool. Wait, what's that? Digital jewels. You can't say that on TikTok. Wait, 1 second. Digital jewels. You can't say that on TikTok. Digital Jews. Wait, stop laughing. Look at me. Yeah, laugh. What are the digital Jews? How are you there? You know, listen, pretty down PH and them PH and the one when they candy and the this and that. How are you there, but you can't say that. Nobody come over here, come try for monitor nothing or whatever. We know what we are do over here, but a joke, me a joke. you may gonna joke about them sitting there.
Clue me
But
in.
anyway.
What did I miss? What did I
So
miss?
hold on. So like enough woman have a look side body and thing. You say it's at how you build in iPhone, so
Because you
eh?
get me hot, man. I love your topic.
Excuse me. All right. So hold on there. So weird. Woman, just like a woman have side body, woman have them look side chun chun. No, is that like a thing?
It's not side chin chin. You can't say that. It's sandwich. Remember,
It's
2 lips.
sandwich. All right, 2 lips, yeah, sandwich. But no, some of them women and them don't even want to eat the bread. I just a burger they want.
We're not talking about those females.
No. Hold on. No. Seriously, educate me, right? So
Yeah.
just like a woman are more liberated and them have a look aside teely or a side instrument, is it like a thing out there now for just have a look aside sandwich when them I work with from the woman, them a look aside chun chun? Has that increased out there?
It's always been the case. It's been more prevalent now that you have social media and women are more outspoken. But you got to keep in mind, though, Raga, men yearn for threesomes. I don't care what men out there, what demographics you are, they do. So, I mean, most females do have females friends that will engage in that act. And the men are the one that will encourage that because they want that excitement. So if the woman introduces a female into the relationship and they connect, it's the man's fault. And a man fault.
Stop it. Right. All right, stop it. We read this seriously now. So stop it. I know I'm a man for it. Right. The woman, a lot of women who do this, they want to do it. They want to do it.
Of
They
course,
want to
because-
experiment and whatever. May quick put the man for thing, because that's another focus side discussion, right? Because you like to come here and beat man. You don't have to beat man. All right. So
I love men. I adore men.
no, most of the time
I
you
love the
make you
sausage.
beat man.
I love the sausage, and I love
So
your
why
big
most of the
thumb.
time you call you a beat
I love
man?
your long thumb.
Yeah? But why most of the time you call you a beat man?
I don't. The last conversation
Yeah.
we had, I wasn't. No, I love my black stallions.
Okay. So what may I say? In your, you know what I'm not gonna lie. This to catch me off guard. Someone. Are you a breeder in iPhone?
Hold on, I'm gonna send somebody out of the room.
You gonna do what? No man, are you a breeder? You know, say
Somebody has to leave the room. Sorry, guys.
All right. Then.
Let me refocus.
Will you just say you refocus?
I'm being distracted. Sorry.
Okay. All right. Refocus.
Okay.
Are you refocused now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. All right. Cool. I was years ago. We had a group discussion thing, and a bunch of women came out in the group and said like, no, them say me I go a long time. Uno just never know. When you see we are hang out together as women and we are say enough look at something I go a long time. And the men were like, what do you mean? And I said, enough time we uno just accept we hug up one another and go together and this and that and a sleepover. Like uno not think nothing of it and whatever, but they must say like a lot of experimenting has been going on between women from a long time. So you just never know about it and thing and whatever. And would you say that is true?
Exactly. And it's the men's fault. Because I'm telling you, okay. You want me to be real, Raga? Let me be real.
No,
Okay?
that is being boring.
The men are
It's
very
been boring.
limited in the there are some men that are very limited in the bedroom. They're not exploratory. Okay? They just don't have what it takes to explore. They just want to as long as it gets hard, they just want to just get with the program. There's no females. Foreplay is so significant when it comes to, can I say the word sex?
Yeah.
Okay. When it comes to, when it comes to intimacy in the bedroom.
Right.
Men are very restrictive mentally when it comes to the bedroom. And because of that, it's female and their ego is so fragile that women are fearful of telling them
Talking them right.
that they're not fulfilling their needs, because if they do, the men are they complain about you having a dildo. Like, how are you gonna have an ego complex about a dildo?
What? Now let me tell you something. You can't say what you want to say. Me not have no problem out there with somebody and she have a dildo or a vibrator. Me use it for now. But here where me I tell you, me see some dildo out there, some big elevator something. Which man could have there with me and have that and whatever? You must have rotted, man. You cannot have a dildo that is like 4 or 5 times the size of my wood. You mad?
See, ladies, this is exactly what I'm talking about.
Say what you want to say. Say what you want to say. You ever pass some of them sex shop there? You ever pass some of them sex shop there and see them 14-inch big black sitting there and whatever? Which woman would have to say, all right, come now,
this is exactly what I'm talking about.
Let me put my dildo one side now, Raga, your time now. Wait, let me lift it up and move it. All right. See me put it over there now. You come now. Like, seriously? Anyway, right, listen, there. I'm surprised I have to be telling you this now as a woman, right? Me have to tell you this as a woman. Okay.
What?
One of the misconception, huge misconception that men have is that them believe that female to female attraction, right? Female to female attraction. For example, them will say something like, some good body she want, or some good loving she want, without understanding that, yeah, female to female, a lot of female to female attraction have nothing to do with men. Absolutely nothing to do with men.
100, 100, 100. How come you're so knowledgeable?
No, because you keep on insist on the man fault thing. And stop your laughing. You laugh too much, man. Come on.
Raga, I want to know how you know something
No, you
about that
laugh
part.
out you think. But what I'm saying is, a lot of female to female, it has nothing, and some men, them find it hard to accept that because them so damn enough and them think the world is about man, and somehow man have a figure in it and whatever. The women who are attracted to women, and
They
that's
don't realize
nothing
that
to do with men.
It doesn't. It's just they're just filling the gap of the inexperience of men in the bedroom. They're just filling the gap. I'm sorry, my female.
No, what conversation?
We understand.
The conversation now evolve. The discussion now evolve.
It's not supposed to evolve. I'm
joke
keeping
out.
it real. You want me to keep it real, right?
Oh, okay, all right.
The females are filling the gap for the lack of, the lack thereof.
All right, okay.
So if you know, listen, let me keep it real for you. Females love oral sex. The same way men love oral sex. Men love oral sex. And females love oral sex. Okay? And no matter which relationship a woman is in, depending on her upbringing, I should add, if that is not being given, there's a likelihood that she's going to seek it elsewhere, either from a male or a female. And the chances are there's a strong possibility that she would prefer to engage with a female because the female knows the female anatomy. So the female knows the female anatomy, so that there's guarantee that she will be pleased at the end of the interaction, sexual interaction. So I need to get off this chat, off this live.
You just cracking yourself up, man.
I really need to get off this live. I am really exposing myself.
All right then. All right then, keep it real. Big up yourself. All right.
Did you learn anything, Raga?
Did I what?
Did you learn anything?
No.
What's your takeaway from this?
You hung up on this, the limitations of men in being the causation of this and that between women.
Really, Raga? That's your takeaway?
So what you think you've been saying all this time?
I am saying your discussion was about.
But what you mean if that's my takeaway? What you think you've been saying right through? Even when I carry the discussion in other days, stop the laughing, no, stop laugh.
Okay.
All right, yeah. So what you think you've been saying all along? What is the thesis of everything you've been saying thus far?
The thesis of what I've been saying.
It's man's fault.
No, I'm not. It's not entirely men's fault, but I'm saying I'm trying to educate. You said you Raga. You said educate me, and I'm educating you. So you can't be faulting me for educating you when you want to be educated. I'm keeping it real with you. I'm keeping it like 100, and I'm just saying, yes. The takeaway is it's the narrow-minded men's fault. Not men's. I'm not going to say generalized men's fault. I'm going to say the narrow-minded men.
Hold on. I'm saying everything you've said thus far is one-dimensional.
Yes, because we're discussing why females gravitate to females. So it is one dimensional.
Yeah, and it's one dimension. That's fine. Okay, fine. I just say
Right,
this, so
and
that's
I'm
cool.
saying to you why, I'm giving you the reason as to why that occurs.
You've
You're
said it
asking
many
for the
times.
reason, and I'm giving you the reason as to why. It's the lack of the lack of exploration for men. They have limited. They're. And I'm not gonna generalize just men. But there are
So
certain,
what?
there are
No,
certain
okay,
men
no.
who,
You see, you're repeating what you have said 20 times already, and all I'm doing is saying that is what you say, and that's so you're stuck on whatever. You seem to have a problem with it.
I don't have a problem
No,
with it.
you have a
It's
problem
factual.
with me acknowledging the one dimension where you're in acknowledge it right a while ago. You have a problem with me saying, no, I'm gonna learn nothing because it's just one dimensional.
Because it is one dimensional.
Okay, fine, that's where you are. So I said, that's it. So I'm gonna learn nothing.
But you made it one dimensional by saying, why do women gravitate to men? And I'm giving you the reason why.
And me make it no. Yeah, okay, fine. Conversation over. Conversation over. All right. I gave me a play. I gave me a play today. So we're not gonna we're right, you know. Okay. We're not gonna we're right, you know, and thing like. But for the record, right? She's incapable of expanding. You know, she come for tell. She not come for learn either. She come for tell. You know. Men. A lot of intimacy between women out there. You know, have nothing to do with you. Yeah. There are times I know of multiple situations where men have a difficulty understanding that because sometimes a woman may find out something about herself where she'll be like, yeah, of course, I followed society before and I did the man thing and whatever. And them just reach a point where them realize and this and them there. And there are times when these women try to explain to the man, listen, it really is, you didn't do anything wrong, right? You did not do anything wrong or whatever, you know, and the man, them have difficulty, great difficulty. And a lot of this is biblical and the way we were raised and thing. You know, I was raised in a Christian home, so we understand those things. And the whole Sodom and Gomorrah concept and thing, and there's a bunch of things here that a lot of men don't understand, nor do they want to understand it in terms of literature and teachings being sexist and male-dominated and thing. Who they turn into salt? Are the woman turning a salt? When them a come from, you know, whatever, and them say, God tell them, son, I look back at the woman turning a salt. So, right? Who them say make Adam eat? The way it named the other woman and whatever. So a lot of men, them don't even understand ways in which they are conditioned to blame women, you know, for things. And then they're taught these things in the context where women are doing these things wrong because they're supposed to be there for men. You know, this whole thing like, you can't be a woman if you're not there for a man. And a lot of people have, you know, some difficulties, you know, understanding the perspective of some women saying, listen, it's not even about men. I just don't want to do men, you know, I just don't feel it. Right? And, you know, in a society where I'm telling them, say, are the devil and things like that. Or you come America, this and that. And, you know, I'll kind of look at something on it. All I'm saying is, a lot of you have these men who are falling short in certain ways in terms of intimacy and foreplay and being more comprehensive in their dispensing of intimacy, right? We know the drill. Man just think about them body. You put body in there, you ram out this and that, and to them, that's intimacy and whatever. That is true. And that some women out there, they find that they have a need for a more complete form of lovemaking. And not just lovemaking, but the person caring about them in a way where they're more comprehensive and layered in the intimacy, right? So, and then you have women now who, based on modern contemporary society, they now can express themselves more. So back in the day, a woman never liked something. She more likely to just work with it and accept it. It is less so now. So, so a woman would say, no, I want to be satisfied. And I want somebody who would make love to all of me in my mind and explore my entire body and do other stuff and whatever. And there are more women right now, who, do say that, like, you know what? Is either them can't bother with man now. Some women, it's not even men. Some women say, I can't bother with Jamaican man because Jamaican, much woman talk to me and say, Raga, I love Jamaican men. I love them. But they don't know how to make love. Them just know how to ram out your wall. Right? Over the years, a lot of women say that. And for women who feel like feel like they deserve, intimacy, like a man who can make love to them mind and everything and whatever, And a lot of those women are saying, the men are falling short. And in so doing, them have to pursue alternatives in order to get what they believe they deserve. Right? So yes, a lot of that is out there. That's about a long time. And it has shall we say, like it has intensified now that women, express themselves more. Now that women are more so in positions where they know what they want and what they don't want. And they believe that, they can, fancy term for it in academia is that they have agency and that they can be self-determining and that they're responsible for their happiness. And me telling about the mix-up with the woman who bring up a man what she did there with, down in Florida. And she tell him, and me telling about that mix-up there, whatever. And she said, me not hear it and thing. I just want to make sure you come up. But me at a stage of my life right now, my outlook on oral sex and them something is that it's not a big deal. And the man say, nah, do it and thing. And the man say, so will you bring me up here for whatever? She said, because I made a deal that I would bring you up. So I just wanted to make sure somebody bring you up. And then if you want to go back, you go back. But me just want to make sure somebody do right by you. But me just want you to know, say, that limited thing the way you inner and whatever based upon, is Rasta theology and philosophy and so forth. She just saying, I can't deal with that. So it's either me work with you and build around it. And the man say, no, me not do that. None of that. And she said, okay, we have to part. Me go into that mix up. So yes, that side is there. But I'm saying there's another side too that, and again, I'm just telling you what quite a few women have shared with me. There are women out there who just appreciate women who can relate to their many parts, not only physical, but also mental. And they'll explain that they need that in a relationship. And they will tell her, like, I don't get that from men. But they'll tell her they get it from women. No, that is a difficult thing for a great many people out there to accept because it's easier for them to just revert to the traditional and just talk about what the Bible say and what this and that and da without even saying, well, I can't see myself agreeing with it, but let me hear what you're saying though, so that we can understand your perspective. That type of approach to these type of discourse is difficult for a great many people, right? You have some people, you can't tell them, say, no, and I saw you paint the wall. And they must say, all right, teach me how to paint the wall. And they will be more open for learn how to paint the wall better. But when it comes to sex, it's just no flexibility there, no accommodation there and so forth. Right? You have the partner out there. And that is a difficult thing with, I was just trying to have her understand that And she keep reverting to the man fault thing, like a broken record, right? So she wasn't going anywhere in her reasoning and whatever. She just wanted to tell, and things like that. But again, the point I'm making is that there are women out there who have, in varying degrees, want to explore intimacy with other women. Some women no want there with no woman, them no want whatever, and things like that. And some women, and this of them want there. And think, you have women out there who love experience woman in certain way, but them still love man. And then we tell her it's two different things, right? And you have some woman who like, no, it's nothing against man. Them just not feel it with man, you know? And them say when women do so with them, I'm just tell you what them say, you know. So when women do so with them, they come alive, and because them say the woman relate to them. Because I tell you, me was one of them man there, who what me couldn't understand was, okay, fine, like man, but you're going there with a woman who is approximating men. I never get that, you know. So, like man, but you prefer a woman who has strap on a false penis and I do it. Like, I never get it. And thing, but again, it's not about men. And that's hard, you know, for people to understand and reason out. For those women, it's not about men. So there are women out there who are exploring intimacy with women, and it has nothing to do with man's fault. Nothing to do with men's fault. Absolutely nothing. And in those positions, the thing for the man them to do is just put your ego aside and just accept it and say, you know what, this is nothing bad against me, you know. It's best that she go and pursue what makes her happy, because why have her here, a negative of our relationship and we not work and whatever, because she really not happy with me as a man and a really woman she want. All right, I'm go there with woman, Go be happy. And you go find a next woman. Right? Right? So me I say. All right, the meds are going. And this is a sensitive topic for us Jamaicans. And unfortunately, some of us, we don't really reason well when it comes to these topics and things, we emotions, go to the forefront, and then people get mad and disrespectful and things. So make we see we can go through it now. Hello.
Hi there, good night.
Wagwan.
I good, you?
No, me good. Blessed.
Okay, and blessings to everyone on the platform. I've been listening to you, and I thought I can relate in what you were speaking about just now about, some women, they have their preferences with having another woman. I mean, I'm not up for that, but as you rightly said, let each to their own, and let those women do what they think makes them happy. At times, I think the reason, because I spoke to women like who you're speaking about, the reason why they leave men, in that same type of mindset. Some of them say that, they've been living with a man and they're not sexually satisfied.
Right.
And but as you rightly said, you don't understand. To me, it would be easier for me to tell my man, I am not satisfied, and let us try ways to work with. Because where he is a relationship, and I figure that the same way how the man could inspire me, I could inspire him to be the reason why
indeed.
a lot of bedrooms go down, because I feel that they get too comfortable with each other. And when it comes to sex, they want to lock off the light. And they want to just have on these big drawers at night time. And
You mean
they're
the
not
women? You mean women? You mean
the
women?
women,
Oh,
and
okay.
because they figure, okay, I'm the girlfriend or I'm the wife and I'm doing everything. He's accustomed to me and this thing. But after time, in real life, people get tired with people. People get really tired. If you don't have something to boost your relationship, it's going to put off one of you. And you see, when she go out there and she say, all right, I'm going to try and expert with this woman and see. To me, I'm speaking for me. I'm not trying to bring down another woman.
Right.
To me, I can't see myself even going and buying a dildo and say that the dildo is satisfaction. Because for me, I need the real deal. And if my man cannot satisfy me and I truly love him, we're gonna work this shit out. We gotta work it out, brother. We're gonna work. I mean, if and women
No,
keep
but let me ask you something.
Yeah.
From you, and you're a well-reasoned woman. Based on what you know of Jamaican men, how receptive, on average, because you have some really reasonable Jamaican, but on average, would you say that Jamaican men would be generally receptive to their woman saying, listen,
No, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
I understand where you're going. I'm not from Jamaica. I am from Montserrat, one of the other islands outside of Antigua, right?
So well, let's say the Caribbean men.
Right. So let me tell you, it's Caribbean men. That's what it. Let me tell you something. But I live here in UK now, right? But what I find since I come over this side is that we kind of either timid or shy or big.
We being who?
I mean, women and men.
Okay.
Because listen, I was born in the Caribbean and I was growing up there until I was an adult. And I used to have boyfriends back there. Sometimes men don't want to be out there in public holding their women and even kissing them. I mean, or stuff like that. They figure like it's supposed to be behind closed doors. That when they even get sexual in the bed, they want to lock the light off. I need to see what
men
and women.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm speaking from what I know, right? I can't say all men, but I know since I was living home and stuff like that, this is the mindset of them, or they feel shy. Some women can't even tell the last time the man say, I love you. They can't say that.
True.
But when they want the pum, they expect to come in at night and just rip off clothes in the darkness. And some of these men, they don't even wait for the woman to have an orgasm or nothing like that. It's all about themselves. So these are the kind of things that could put off a woman sometimes, brother. That they would say, all right.
So hold on. So on average then, based on what you know from Montserrat and so forth and what your experience has been, do you think that men in general would be accommodating and receptive to the woman? I said to them, say, said the thing not 200. Make we see if we can build and explore together. Or do you think they will have a problem? They're more likely to get defensive and then get like, what you think the average Caribbean man would do? Yeah.
The first thing that they would, Mark, you're not saying all of them, but the first thing that they would either feel embarrassed and they would figure, so maybe you got another man or something.
Right.
They just feel like, and I mean, it's not like that. But then again, mind you, it's all about communicating. If you know your woman is into you and the woman is into the man, the two of them could sit down and talk about these things if they really have each other back. That's how I look at it.
No, but very often, And me split justice here. So when it comes to that communicating thing, in my opinion, and I can disagree with me,
Yeah.
I find that women are more receptive to, yeah, me want to work with you and communicate. But remember, you know, as we say in that camera, you can't carry donkey go in water, you know, but you can't
Yeah.
force him for drink. With
That's right.
enough for the Caribbean, man, then not even the donkey I go to the water, then don't even go to the water,
Yeah,
mostly to
yeah,
go
yeah.
get them for drink, you understand?
That's true,
So
yeah.
me, I go put more of that on the man then.
Oh, okay.
Because over the years, me a old man now, so me know the game. It's mostly women who say you're a good man or whatever. Me could communicate now and bill and the man them and most of the man them put them ego before and them now and then the woman them just get exasperated and be like, you know what? I tried. I've been trying and things like that, and I'm not happy. So at some point now me have to do something for myself. So you know, the communicating part is there, but I must say that the men in general, they're generally not as secure, exploring their vulnerabilities, in communication with the person with whom they love and want to be with, as is the case with the on the side of the woman.
Yeah. It's I mean, communication. I mean, relationship. It needs work. You have to work, and you and your partner have to have an understanding about what you both want. And sometimes too, women they would prefer not give the man sex. Come on, men need sex better. They need sex to function. You understand? They really need sex, and it's not no joke. A woman can do without sex for a while, but men, I'm telling, it's hard for them to serious. Tell me that me lie. They always want
No.
man.
You don't know. You have some men. You have some men who have given this sex thing a great amount of thought and have concluded that this is my weakness and I need to be more disciplined in the control of it. So you have men out there who just don't move on automatic and realize that if they control their sexual desire, that is power. And I will submit to you that the men who are like that, me I tell you this coming over me, I say, you see the man who them stay so, you find say when woman a deal with them man there, them have to come correct,
Yeah, get you.
So so you find say them man they have power. So it's either the woman are get stupid and fool and say something wrong with him. And which man say no to front and this and that and whatever. Because they come upon a man who them cannot control with sex. But you have man out there, You know what I once did? Me did once see me rate woman for. Woman, we are wait up baggy, wait and soak for a man, but have some reason why them say me not do it.
Yeah, it's true.
And not do it. Woman have that discipline. The woman with baggy wait up, all water down their leg. And if them say for whatever reason them not do it, do it.
Yeah.
Men generally don't have that discipline,
Right, and that is true, yes.
But I'm telling you, you have some man out there say, say, my body if you stand up and a tear off, but me for have that power and that discipline that when a woman come and say, Miss Lady,
you know what?
Go on with your front from your side, more from your side.
And you know that our big what an insult and hurt that gonna be for that woman. Cause women are like rejection,
Women, exactly. No, not only that, them not like rejection with what traditionally with them all the power. Women are gatekeepers of sex.
Exactly.
Women are generally gatekeepers of sex and men are gatekeepers of the relationship.
I understand that.
Yeah. So I want you have modern men out there. One time gone, we men, we used to do sympathy sex and fear sex. Say enough man out there. No one cheat on them woman, but when woman move to them say, I wish I go think about me and think so them go do it. You know that?
Yeah, that is true, yeah.
Say you have man out there. Them may get a look run one time and the run never 100 or whatever this and that, but through the run I come back to them and them the one the woman them go take the pop down sex and whatever this and that. But you have a new breed of man out there right now. Them not frightened for front. And the woman them out there, them can't angle them man, the owner frightened for front because that is traditionally for them power. So them use the simplistic easy, lazy thing will make them feel good.
Right.
Something wrong with him. And mama say, Batman, blah, 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 this and that
Yeah.
and whatever. Blah, blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah, blah,
yeah.
blah, 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 blah. You understand? Without understanding, then that is good. This man
Yeah,
have
that's
control over him
principle.
thing. You
Principle.
understand? Yeah.
Principle.
And respect that
Principle.
man
Yeah.
there. And just know, say, if you ever come at him now, you better come at him different because
Yeah,
your
good.
front
Yeah.
alone
You
can't
know,
control
yeah,
him.
that's
Right?
exactly.
He might look for something else. Him like your front, you know. But he might look
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
In
You
fact,
have
you
to
have
play
some
hard,
man,
forget to.
you have man who see, you have some man who stays. The worst thing you can do, some man out there right now. And if any man I listen and agree with me, you have some man them, you find it insulting. If your
Yeah.
woman come up and think, say, the way for she get something from you or if you in a relationship, all she have to do, she have to look good and give her a front. You have some man find that insulting because
Yeah,
it's like,
yeah.
what you say about me? Like,
Yeah,
what you say about
exactly.
me?
Yeah, yeah,
Right?
yeah. I
Because
know.
if that is true, what you say about me if that is true,
Yeah.
right? You understand
Yeah.
what I'm saying? But you have some woman out there, them not just like how man not adjust to certain things to the modern woman right now.
Yeah.
It's the same way you have woman not adjust to certain things to the modern
Yeah,
man
I
right now.
understand. And my thing to most men, if they're listening, and to yourself as now too as a woman, men need to be very careful who they sleep with, eh? Because you got some women out there and they sleep with tons of men. A partner, when you see that things not go right for you, you
Yeah.
wonder how much demons connected to your body. Trust me.
What you
Because
what you mean?
serious.
What you mean? So what you mean? If a woman sleep with enough man and whatever, what she do?
She attract those same demons, cause you know who those men were sleeping with prior to before, and it doesn't matter if anybody say soap and water clean anything. You
No,
go
no, but
inside, partner.
but why wanna always I say that about the woman them? You are woman and you say that about woman. But why you don't say that? Why wanna say
No,
that about the
no,
man
no,
them?
no.
Why wanna don't say
Listen.
that about the man them?
No, this is what I'm saying too. I'm saying for everybody who is listening, you gotta be careful of who you sleep with because you
No,
don't
no,
know
I
who
never
they
that
may
you
sleep.
say. I never. Well, I know. I never that
No,
you
well,
say. You
that's
said the
what.
man them have to be careful with the
Because
woman them because the
okay,
woman them sleep with enough man
okay,
and them have demon.
okay,
So
okay,
basically, you
okay.
did identify the
Well,
demon puni woman them.
Mind you, I'm not saying every woman. I mean, I say every man, but I'm saying human beings. Okay, I stand corrected. Human beings in general, they should be
Okay.
very careful. And it's not every nice woman you see dress up and look sexy and nice. As you were just saying, you have to have a positive mindset, and you
True.
have to understand that what women have, their front is very powerful. It's a powerful piece of meat that's been placed on the body. Serious, you know me talk about, my friend. It's a
Eh?
serious piece of meat, right?
No.
It's a
No, but
force
no,
not
but
to
hold
be
on,
reckoned with.
No, but power is relative, you know. The supposed power with vagina have, you know, is primarily men relate weak to it so much that make it come over so powerful, you know.
Well, yes. And you know, the men, they kill for it, you know. People die for this shit, man. They do.
Exactly. But listen, man, I thank you for your reasoning. It's pointed. It you know,
Yeah.
it was piercing. I really like it and
Yeah.
things like that. But before you go, let me just to be clear. So
Yeah.
if a woman sleep with a man with him body go all about and sleep with 50 odd woman, him have a demon body too where we bring bad luck on her too, don't it?
No.
Eh?
Vice versa.
What you mean?
You have to be careful who you entertain into your space.
No, you never answer, you know. Somebody said that can be a demon, bad lucky body too, because it go everywhere, correct?
Yes.
Or you not sound enthusiastic about that yesterday, so.
No, but because I'm not saying for no try put tie me up here. You not tie me up here.
No man, that yesterday sound weak.
I'm not.
That yesterday sound like a reluctant yes man.
But because you see me have to careful how me answer to you because I've been watching you for the last couple of weeks and me realize
you
that you're a
have?
smart fella. I've
Me?
been watching you.
No,
Yeah.
man, me not smart, man. Me just chat.
You're no, you're a smart man. Trust me. And I respect you. And thanks for having me on.
Blessings, man.
Alright?
Blessings.
Yeah, man.
Blessings. All
Take
right.
care
And you
and
take
good
care, man.
night to
Wonderful.
everybody on the platform.
Yes, man. The TamFam them, you know. Big up yourself here. Thanks, man. And big up
Alright then, man.
Montserrat.
Thanks.
All right. Blessings. Cool.
No problem. No problem.
Okay. And love our reasoning. But this is a thing out there, you know, where you know the usual double standards and the variations of the double standards. You know, like the double standard is here, you have all these limbs attached to it, and one of them is that women who have slept with a lot of men, you know, they have all those men energy and you know and bad luck there and so forth and thing. We have been beating women along those lines for a while now and thing. And we don't do the same thing to men. Not only we don't do the same thing to men, we celebrate men who have a whole heap of woman. Right? Now, you have some people who have some evolutionary explanation out there and say there's a particular logic there why that is the case, you know? That's another argument we can explore at a different time. But the truth is, there's an imbalance there, don't it? Right? So if you go so far, if you say, if a woman enjoys sex and had a lot of sex with different men, different partners, or whatever the case means, and you're going to malign her for that, which we all know that malignation is part of the that type of denouncement is part of the systemic efforts to control the sexuality of women. We all know that the patriarchy, male-dominated system, has long been concerned with containing woman, right? So you find, so when them don't contain woman, them end up saying, well, it's a bad thing because whatever. God forbid a woman can make her choices and sleep with who she wants to sleep with, or many people she want to sleep with her. It's your choice if you don't want to be with her after that and thing like that. But for reach a point, we say, because she sleep with so many people, down they condemn and be a demon in her hole and all them something that you go in there and think and whatever, you go pick up crosses and whatever, this and that. But you know, say that about the body where they all about, no? Right? Is it less of the same thing about the man them, no? Not only not say that about it, but even when you not condemn man, even when you not denounce man who have a whole heap of woman, it's still being done in a way where there is that subliminal admiration being expressed. Right? So you find some people do think, who him? You hear a woman say something like, who him? I don't want him too wild, him wily, see? What if a woman, him wily, see? Boy, me I tell you, sometimes I wonder when I'm seeing him, as opposed to, no man, I all word that. The woman, no, so we are going to suffer. You know, them just shut down the woman them. But even when I talk about the man them while it's done with a kind of subliminal admiration for the man them. Even when they must say it's not a good thing or a negative thing or whatever. It's a double standard. And the woman them right when them say it's unfair. Okay? Let's go. Oh. Why me like your name, you know? But Kuya. But Kuya.
Man.
Yeah, what's up?
From me growing up, me I listen to your show even though I have no business listening to it.
Okay.
That for show you how young I am. But,
okay. You mean when you were younger, you shouldn't have been listening, right?
No. But late night, you know, me stay up and me depend. But wait, you get me and me brethren them in a high school that normally talk about what we hear the night before and so yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh, you mean out order? You mean when we did that out order? Yeah. Okay. All right.
But I want to say you depend on a topic a while ago whereby it's like you say the woman them like them will leave the man and go to a woman, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
me I tell you, say it's a common thing nowadays. I'ma say,
Really?
yeah,
Really?
man. What you mean? See a place here in Jamaica. It's a common
Wait,
thing
enough
nowadays.
woman left man and I go there with woman
Yes.
in a Jamaica.
Let me tell you something I say regular. You understand me?
Uh-huh.
I want to tell you about an incident when we did in a college. And
Yeah.
it's like this brother date this girl, you know, and me I tell you say him love her and thing, you know. Even was thinking
Well under
marry
you
her and thing. Eh?
the well under you want cause we will post back this over YouTube, you know, and the music, you know. Come here look up music are coming, you know. But
Oh, sorry.
yeah.
Sorry, yeah, you hear me now?
No, we are here, you know, but just want to hear the music here.
Oh, okay. That's something we really have passed on the road still.
Oh, that part. Okay, go on, talk, go on.
So me I tell you say it's like the brother want to marry the girl and thing, but
Yeah.
you get me? She was in her prime and honestly she had try explore. You understand me? So
Yeah.
next thing
And
you
what
go
and what
here,
happened? Yeah.
well, if I make a long story short, she start date a girl. You understand me? A butch take her away straight.
Well, I said, what impact that had on him?
You know, him sort of didn't like it. Him never know how to react really. Because you don't know it go already whereby the girl and girl action more well
When
like
him did
freedom.
like what? When him did like? So she take away the woman
Him
from
him never mind, you know, him never mind.
But if the butch take away him woman, why him wouldn't mind?
Because a woman take it away. You
Rather
understand
than a
me?
man. Okay, well, yeah,
Rather
there's
than a
there's a
man.
logic there. Well, that really out of my hand if a woman.
Then
But
that
tell me
means
something. But all right, so if you said enough woman and left them man for woman, do you have any idea what could be the reason for this? I mean, in a Jamaican cultural context, why this is happening? Why woman and left them man for woman? What go on this? What's the
Well, I mean,
reason
it's a
for it?
common
If
thing
you were
being
to
promoted these days,
identify two main reasons, in your best guess, you know, your hypotheses, you know, your speculation. If you were to say, you know, these are the two reasons. Let me think it happen. What would those two reasons be?
I mean, there's a cultural shift, definitely. It's being promoted in the music. It's very common. Even
What
you know,
what
find out the other day, huh?
what is promoted in the music?
It's promoted girl and girl action.
So you think so one of the reasons could be that the music is normalizing this and encouraging women to do it?
Yes, there's a cultural shift. That's what I'm telling you.
No, that's broad. But what I'm saying, you basically just acknowledge what I just said. Saying it's a cultural shift is just a synonymous way of saying what you already said, that it's happening. I'm asking you for the reasons for the cultural shift.
Exploration.
Oh.
Women are more inclined with exploring these days.
Oh, I see. Okay. So now that they have more freedom to explore, they find themselves just gonna check out more women now because, you know, society has reached a point where them not accept it, but at least them know it's more okay now than before to go and explore, you know, being, women being with women. And that you say, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got so much so I was surprised the other day to find out that a good family friend of mine, a girl where, you know, me and her used to lay down with these small and thing.
Yeah.
She sleep with my sister. Frightened. Not just one, but two.
She sleep with it. She sleep with what? Your two sister them?
Two sister.
Oh. So how many sisters, yeah?
Well, I'm not gonna disclose that on here.
Oh, okay. So you have two gay sisters then, right?
No, them no gay. I would say them more so bi, but you know.
Oh, more so bi, but okay. So them, you know, have liberal sexualities and thing and whatever. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
so
man,
okay.
Be surprised when I find out say she actually asleep and it's actually, you know, my brother tell me say, yo, this happened. I say, what?
Oh, interesting. Well,
I could have find out say Anisha asleep with my two sisters. I depend what?
All right, well, some interesting things going on down there in Jamaica. Thanks for sharing that with us and things. We could see what some other people say about it now, all right?
Yeah, man. Big
All
up
right,
yourself.
respect. Yeah, man, protection, man. Strength and protection. Cool. And them say like them the people them a broke down at Jamaica go see them in a cool here now, don't eh? Yeah. And all this a cool here where we come down upon them now. Big things are going on at Jamaica right here now in that cool here, you know. Yeah. Don't it? Yeah, man, a big that shout are going on at Jamaica, you know, man, for warm up, man.
Hello, sir. Good night,
Yes, good night.
sir. My name is Juna. I'm a young artist. I see, sir. So, one lady tell me about you, sir. Somebody end up follow you, sir, saying say me like me don't want to look about, sir, in my music thing, sir. So me could have follow you. Come over for your page. Get if you have myself a boss, sir, cause you might say me have a potential. So I'm with boss. So if you just tell me, come even didn't know about it, sir. So in tell me your name and me follow you, me I say him.
What the
I'm
woman
the
tell
end
you
up
about me?
get your
What the
number.
woman tell you about me? What the woman tell you about me?
You want you tell me say yo, yeah, like you're over here, like sometime you're over here get
We not hear you, we not hear you, we not hear you. We don't know if you're
joke
mute your
and them
yeah,
something
go
there.
on.
Sir, you see
Yeah.
number where they call you, sir? On WhatsApp? Yeah,
I
number
will
they call up on WhatsApp.
I will if a number call
The
me
number was the
business
calling
number.
you want where they call you with like 534 is that is my number, media call you, sir.
Oh, okay. Yes. So
Yes.
so here we are going right here now. You see in the business,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
people that most succeed, them always ready. You have to
Yeah.
ready. You have to ready all the time, right? So here we are going.
Yeah.
Me no want you itch with it right here now. You have crazy people over here, listen. Run your tune right here now. I sing it with passion.
Yeah.
Don't laugh at it. Sing it with passion and fervor and thing and that. Like, send on. Make we hear your tune right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Nation up, mommy, alright now. Jump out, everybody top free now. Anyone no like me, top make money. Jump out now, everybody never friends out. Mommy, if you alright, with my job fat crown. Never like people, no me step up. Who never like me, go bye bye. Go never like me, go bye bye. Mommy, alright, so me jump in at the states. Everybody say me a scammer, never like that, never come out to a cruff. Mummy say son don't worry no, jump out no, everybody tap them.
Go
Sir, let
on,
me tell you
man. Go
one piece
on,
of
go
song.
on, go on.
But
Go on.
one day so me never have nothing, never have. Yeah, one day so me never have nothing. Could find piece of food, but mommy thought make me chew. Jump out everybody's suit. Everybody never like me turn out in a good pussy. Everybody say them like it, so me jump every nightly. So me jump every nightly. Watch a school every night, so me jump out nice. Early in the morning, me get one wife. Mommy say me alright, boy, your choice. Don't violate, cause you know that nice. Mommy get a crown and that it in a bike. Jump out now, everybody
Mixup and blender time.
You have any more lyrics? You have any more lyrics?
Yeah.
You have what? Run one more before you
Yeah.
go. Run one more again. And done the place again, me dog.
Yeah.
Run.
Yeah.
Voila. You ready? Me come here and say, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. After me count to 4.
Ready,
Me count
man.
to
Ready,
4.
man.
You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut it! Eh? Yeah. Yeah.
Watch a food if you make some jump in at the pot. But
We not hear you.
that
We
the
not.
go food if you make some jump in at the pot. Link mummy if you come some
Hold on. Yo,
chicken
boss.
back. Money if you make me not be no crook. Jump up, man. Everybody start watch. Mummy ask me son where you out there. Me say mummy me run about and get some friends. Mummy say alright. Yeah. Sir?
Yeah, no. What me I said, me feel the energy, but not go too fast because then you move with the phone and when I hear you. So still you have to learn microphone
Oh,
skills. So you hold the phone. So make sure say the phone is a little way from your mouth, but don't move the phone from, Some of us when you go in it again and you learn a little bit mic discipline now. So go in it now. Shut it again.
yeah, me jump in at the pot and me dig up some food. Mummy say, son, where you are the youth, in grab for the belt and then start beat. Me say, mummy start beat me, don't tell her teach. Jump in the school, let me lead a teacher. Start do work, and I know me a either. School say, don't violate. Listen.
Yeah.
Listen. Me jump in at the book and me get my teacher. My teacher says, son, what you do? Me say, no worry, teacher. Me do the work, cause you know me eat her. Me love food, cause you know, say me leave her. Me say, no worry, cause you know, say me got this food that we make, so me go for the butchie. Yeah, I would that with the Dutch. Food in the pot, so me just name that. Me can't buy that with the bigger chat. Food never nice, so me start eat that. So me not eat that. Oh, never want food, never got told. Jump out, no, I never love school. Mummy say, son, go and ask school. Let me grab up the bed, let me start beat you. Mummy say, yo. Mummy say, yo.
Mummy say, yeah, voila.
Mummy say, yo. Mummy say.
All right, leave it right there, sir. 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 All right. So here we are going. Me love how most of your song them you big up your mother, don't? Your mother was very instrumental in your life, don't? Your mother is very instrumental in your life, don't?
Yeah.
Very good. Me hear it, man. You talk about your mother a lot, So that frame of reference there and thing is very good, So listen now, I want you to keep keep pursuing your dream, and then you're going, improve as much as you can, upon your melodies and so forth and thing, all right? But
yes, sir.
But you say a lady tell us a potential there, don't? To tell us a potential there, don't? All right. So you keep work on your potential. Just make sure say you improve and you keep improving and thing, all right? And then, like in the future, for example, you're going to evolve. No, you're going to graduate from just saying da 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 da, and then you're going to put some melodies in your thing. Some melodies in, like, put it like almost like you sing and thing and whatever, and make it, appealing and thing like that. But go and build your thing here.
Yes, sir.
All right, respect and honor. All right, thanks for pass through. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, respect, man, cool. And what a man as a young man you are, All right, big up yourself here.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. People him do him thing, man, right? It is with some accuracy that we can conclude that he's not yet where we would want to be. I think we all can agree on that. But the drive is there. He has purpose. Much boy, what I wrote in a Jamaica chat, but done dead already, me not nothing. Him having music now. Will it be this for the rest of his life? Me don't know. But just like when we have a look at kids and thing and them go through them look at phases, right? 1 minute them they're gonna be fireman, and next minute them might be astronaut, and next minute them want to be YouTuber and whatever. He might go through film journey too, And I would like to think that me allowing him to do him just though, that you never know, you never know. You never know. Him as somebody pick me too. You never know, right? Me I listen to some Bob Marley music. Some of Bob music, when Baba sing back there and thing, and some whole recording with Bob do off key. No range in him voice, all kind of sitting. And the rest is history with Bob Marley end up being, right? We all have to start someplace. And many of you right now, you're good at some things. When you look back, when you just start, y'all hold on your head in embarrassment. I can't believe it. Don't. Yeah. Many of you right now, no good pan something, but remember when I did start and think when you did that go on good, don't. When you never did that go on good, all kind of something. Who remember when you just start cook? If food never tastes good. Who remember when you just start iron? When you couldn't iron good, double seam, when you not catch a pleat, them and all kind of something. Who remember when you used to do certain things and involve too much teeth? And now, look at you now. No teeth to your thing, though. Good like that, though. Talk to me, please. Talk to me. Right? All right. Yeah. Man, I big up mummy. I be a mummy, man, big up here. Know that here. You never know. That man tell. Yo! God. Well, all who there, if you not follow me now. Make me go the time. All I want to watch, if you not follow me now. If you're not following Miss Cherry Wash Belly yet, follow me now. All I want to watch, if you not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. You understand? Make it up me right. All right? You now follow me right now. Yeah. And do remember, Thursday Raga Live, it'll go over Big Yard. This show ya, it'll go over Big Yard, all right? TamFamYard.com, join for free. TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com, all right? This Thursday, the show that I go over Big Yard. I will definitely go over there this Thursday, okay? So if you're not joining, you can want to show this Thursday, okay? This Thursday, Raga Live, this show, it's going to be over Big Yard. All right? So make sure so you go to tamfamyard.com and join. You can join for free. tamfamyard.com and join. tamfamyard.com and join because you're not able to listen to and watch Thursday show. You just go over there and join Simone. All right? When you go over there, you will see how to join. All right? tamfamyard.com and thing and you join and you can do the show Thursday. All right? Okay. All right. Juggle, we are juggling, you know, what you ride, you know. Everything is every. Wait, who this a come out? People know when the show are going. Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, man. You know, say, one of my brethren tell me a story already about a man and a woman
Yeah.
where. I know your show go already, so me have to, you know, code up some things.
Ah, well, this year, yeah, this particular show, yeah.
Yeah, so he might tell me a story about a woman and a man. The man commander style of looking with money. That is the female.
The man I look the man I look the female and that style with money.
Right.
Okay, yeah, a draft, yeah.
Yeah, man. So the man have gold teeth in his mouth.
Yeah.
So you know them time the man where a brandish gold teeth, woman a go for them.
Them days there, yeah.
Yeah. But the man broke for real, him not really have no money like that.
Broke pocket gold teeth, don't yeah.
Yeah, man. So him have clothes and him have the gold teeth. So the woman them like him off and him choose one and say him a go work with that one day. So him got the woman yard and the woman. No, him invite the woman a film house. Cause him have him little house and things.
Yeah.
So the woman after the woman did and the woman done and him do them thing and the woman mash him up and send him
Hold on. She go him house and run it pan him.
Yeah, man, because you know him have gold teeth, so you know and him friend ear and red stripe beer did I drink before, so them think him have money.
Yeah.
So him carry her away. Go a few
Yeah.
place now. Him no hit for give him it. Cause him a say man have him gold teeth, so him have to have the money.
Yeah.
Him go there and him give the man where him for give him and mash up the man and man
She give him, but for give him, she.
Yeah.
But we know what you mean.
Yeah,
We know
so-
what you mean. Go on. Yeah.
Yes, so bam now, you know, said the female now start to search the house and get to find out say nothing not there. More than the
Yeah.
bed in the one room where him lead him in is a big old empty house them in. But she never know that.
Oh, seeing.
So here why shocking part of the story now. The only value the man have I gold teeth them.
I just that alone him have, what you mean?
And just that him have, so the girl take the gold teeth them out time out, take out the denture with the gold teeth them and cut left him in the house then at night.
Well, in take out the gold teeth out time out. I'm gonna put it on somewhere.
The man gone sleep, so she use the privilege now to take away the teeth. The gold
No, what the
teeth.
teeth did there when him asleep?
It look like the man take out the teeth and gone in bed.
And true, she search and not find nothing and she
I not
dash out
find
her.
nothing, the only thing she see I gold teeth them, so she cut with them.
Okay, and after she dash out her Jojo pan him and thing, and she say, so me not have nothing to get after me go put on that the serious work on him and a boy I come trick me and go like him and money and she thief in gold teeth.
Him cut with the denture with the gold teeth and the whole plate, you know, she gone with it now.
Jeez and peace. I want pan coating go pick up though.
So, here what go on now? Him now, no know how to go tell the friend the next morning now. Say the girl gone with him teeth them. All the friend them come there talk to him not talk to nobody.
Oh, I'm just
Him just did a silent because the girl gone with him teeth them. It take him a while to talk, a crime start cry and them notice say no teeth in a man mouth. That the girl gone with the teeth.
So weird. So I saw him end up I tell them I want my door.
Him ending up now have to tell them ending up find out because him mouth empty.
So when him attack in chat with the mash mouth, don't well we in Jamaica with some mash
Him
mouth.
didn't no want talk, so he to raise everybody's suspicion. Him can't talk cause him mouth empty.
Him have a empty. Him have a empty mouth. No, so when me I said then him not end up say nothing. Because them have to find out same mouth empty, so all them find out same mouth empty.
Because him did the silent tears a run out of man here cause him lose him teeth, them him no know how to talk.
So when me ask you, him never eventually talk with the mash mouth. Well, tell them you're not chat to them no more. Him never eventually chat to the mash mouth. Him never end about you know come and put one for a guy or crack on the guy keep a real crack keep him and the boy real crack here. I got a week again. Me I come and king me I look my block crack keep and go find my block crack keep and get down with my block crack and never whole out here. Blood clot girl guy with my gold kick man. Him never chat to the mash mouth. Eh?
But they are work, you know. So me have to go cut the one here, you know.
Our Anglia business here, big up.
Alright.
Yeah, man. All right then, man. Anglia Bangla. That's how it go, man. Cool. Yeah, man. Imagine it, man. Imagine myself. But Benji, you're not talk, man. Benji, you're not talk. Good, man. Benji, I want go on. Well, she last night, you know, I carry a girl go a yard, you know, whatever, and put one pan her in and thing, you know. And the girl, I drop her sheep in a dog, and I wake up, you know, man, thing, and you know, the girl gone with my blood clot. Benji, away I said, I can't enough come here, I could have my blood clot, the girl keep my blood clot, can I hear me? Let's go. We're having fun. We're having fun. All right, we're having fun. Let's go. All right. No, but I know people go out with things with people teeth, take with people teeth and all them something, Yeah, say you have one famous politician whose name will remain unmentioned and thing and whatever. Who did I beat me to in Jamaica, And I said, be unproductive and whatever. A bunny wife, man, and carry girl and I want them. And shell out the girl, Give her more things doing, And thing and whatever. And he must in her bathroom. And she need the bathroom and she run go to the bathroom and thing or whatever. She see him having teeth in one glass. And I'm going, when I run come tell me, because the woman didn't tell Raga everything, The woman didn't tell Raga everything. And a man there, did a beat me, because one time he was a minister in the JLP. And him did a hand it to me, man. And thing, one time I see him somewhere, and say the man, him never cut him eye, but when people are give a bad, when woman are give a bad look and thing, and I look up, when woman do that something, they like a little bitch, and whatever. And I just quietly tell her, say, listen to me, You need to worry about Miss Cherry Wash Belly, You need to worry about where you put your teeth, yeah? And that that's quiet, It's when I knock him with it, him give me a look like, them give a puzzle look like, what are you talking about? Right? But him obviously can't tell, like, specifically. But him know about him teeth issues, so when me knock him with that, him kind of get a look like. And then you see a look at resignation come on him face where say like, him know something, man. He know something about my teeth for true, but one of man thing. I be a hypocrite them down there at Jamaica or whatever. You understand? Yeah. God. Oh. Well, I don't know. Come in with the mix-up them. Any mix-up we don't have and may I bring in? No. Some people may I bring them in and them now. What is going on? Come up in the chat with the mix-up them people. Oh man, I hope TikTok now do that something again in a way. Yeah, bring in the people them and them now. Come in.
Hello.
Well, I listen me hear the frag them.
Oh, I'm sorry. There's no frag tonight, sir.
Me not hear them. I went in there.
I don't know. Maybe they're cold.
No, but anyway, you did them there.
Yes, I don't know from the other day. I don't hear them.
What the temperature now where you there? Europe up where you the cool all the while, So be it from this a cold front we I go through right now. It must extra cool. How cold it is there now?
Right, rather extra cold from last night. Cold, like what degree? 19 degree, Raga. 19.
19 degree, which part you there?
Yes,
people
Raga.
where she there one place. Oh no, it near Maryland. I don't know if you don't know. Yeah. But Maryland up in the hills, up if you go up like you go like a garden town where like if you go that way there, that and spicy.
Yes, Raga. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Raga.
One place up there so near Maryland, Newcastle and them. So people don't know so up there so cool, they up there so cool for a long time. Right. So and them have a piece of cold front where I go through Jamaica right now, not normal. Them have a beer ball, them a ball. So 19 degrees in Jamaica. I believe you, because them today somebody called and say it was 40-something degree in Mandeville. And which part of the cooler than Mandeville? So
yes.
19. So all you manage not like how you know, no man, and it's so cool.
Raga boy, if you beat sweater pants and long socks.
Oh Lord. I mean, no, you're not beard, because with this a cooler, you're not beard.
No, your
You don't beard, you don't beard,
No,
you don't
no,
beard, you
no,
don't beard,
Raga,
you
Raga,
don't
Raga,
beard, you
Raga,
don't beard. We will
Raga,
understand say you know beard
Raga,
because of how
listen,
unusually cool it is. You don't
Raga,
beard. Do not
listen,
turn the light on a soap and water down
Raga,
at Jamaica.
Raga, you're gonna
Bad blessing
listen,
will follow you.
Raga, you're gonna listen to
Retribution,
me?
God listen to you. Man, God back to you and give you lockjaw. You never beard.
Raga, you're gonna listen to me?
Yeah, what,
I
yeah.
beard yesterday, I don't beard today.
What are they?
Listen it.
Me think I take you, go take me, I know, and it to me, I know, you know.
Later, the student I got love me beard yesterday, I'm not beard today, because I not do nothing for beard.
What you mean by that?
Raga, when me do, I don't do no hard work. Me Raga, no water towel. I me couldn't bother catch a wood fire to go warm the water. God know.
So you're gonna make all Elaine here, you say you're not beard for yesterday.
Raga, alien and Lisa my problem. A dirty Marcia me come out.
Marcia, you come, Lord Jesus, Marcia good as you come out. So you're gonna make Marcia here say you're not beard for yesterday.
Raga, I beard yesterday Sunday, the 1st of February. I beard yesterday, I don't get the 2nd of February.
All right, we in Jamaica, we have a thing named tidy, or we have a thing named wipe up. You know, do none of them there either?
None today, none.
The man voice for me a while ago. Are your son that our man?
Yes, I'm his son run in room attack.
Okay.
You need to shut your mouth around there.
No. Well, me don't hear the man voice.
Raga, you must say, really, everybody hear me.
Everybody are what?
Everybody hear because you attack the truth.
Yeah, oh, you talk the truth. Well, listen to me now. At least you tell the truth, you know, because you have people over here who no beard and all the while them don't tell it. Shanette. All the while Shanette no beard, she not tell the truth. Christina, all the while she not beard and she not tell the truth. Naki, Anting and Antasha. Enough time them no beard and they don't tell the truth. And she, you know, people are going to crucify you because you tell the truth. Munchi over there in Long Island, a crazy time she no beard.
Right. The Bible says speak the truth and speak if you're a cause.
Right. So Shanette in the chat there laugh or whatever.
No, go on my truth.
No, but crazy time them no beard and thing and them not tell the truth and thing like that. At least you tell the truth. So wait, that's all right. I know you're Franzi rub up.
No, me not Franzi Raga. Me still have 24 hours. Me still have 24 hours rolling from the underneath my arm. Rolling.
Well, say you come. Say you in my age group. You know, once you say roll on. You mean your 40s and your 50s? We here in Jamaica that talk about roll. You in your 40s and your 50s are up more, whatever, more. Yeah, man, we have 24 hours roll on and thing or whatever. You know, say, yeah, our age group that roll on. Yeah, them people put some respect when them chat to it, though. Yeah, you understand. Is either Mr. Uncle. Yeah.
Yes, right.
Mr. Uncle, don't come style up yourself with what come from the roll-on time, yeah? Right? Yes. You talk to we and Juice Media and them people and whatever. It's Mr. or Uncle Raga or Mass Raga or Mr. Raga. Don't come with a first name basis and thing. We're coming from roll-on days.
Right.
So we have to say about Marcia right here, though.
Raga? Dirty Marcia, you come like near man that's your coffin box.
Jesus! Oh my God! Yeah, go on talk.
Marcia, you no burger box and you no double box, you a coffee box, you name out and dash way. Marcia, you not even one decent cracker plate to them eat out and wash and recycle and can use again. Marcia, remember say Alien first say she a big deal. And you are come say you're a big deal. Marcia is no big deal. Marcia, me and Alien depend on the menu at least we come off. Nobody no take you off because you don't have neither spice, neither season, neither taste, neither flavor.
My God.
At least your dessert. But you need nothing at all, Marcia, can nobody see you. Marcia, when you come to about say me a poo in a bucket, Marcia, we come me by me a poo in a bucket, Marcia. But you know about me come call me poo in a bucket. Eh?
That she say about you?
Yeah, but shit in a bucket.
Yeah, that she, oh my God.
Yeah, Marcia, you come talk about shit in a bucket. You know a big deal, small deal, and no deal at all.
No deal.
We not grudge your fear bed. I come talk about so we grudge your fear bed. Marcia, we not grudge your fear bed. And when we asleep on floor, Marcia, we still asleep. You come like them, you come like Excelsior, big dirty tough water crackers. You come like national crackers when you have no crisp on it.
You're not even looking butter though.
Marcia, not even kitchen towel, a paper towel you. That you can't wash and reuse.
Oh Jesus! So she not even plate cloth or dish towel, she a paper towel though. Can't wash and reuse.
Can't wash and reuse. And then don't wipe your train at the garbage bin.
You know she way. And for those of you don't know, when she talk about the coffee box, she talk about, you remember that white box where them sell box food in Jamaica? And that she call coffee box. Like after you do that, you know, that's way box. And that they call it the white coffee box. Nyaman dash way.
You're plastic fork. You're not even fork you can wash and use back.
Jesus.
So when you come good. Marcia, you see a paper you use. You don't know how to wash dish towel and say you're a baker. You don't even know how to use tablecloth, Marcia. Go away. You're bright and face you're out of order. And I come talk about you're a big deal. Yes, no big deal. You have a big deal, big foot. Foot. You're most big foot. You're not a big deal. Marcia, you're not on no menu at all. What?
Hey, man. What you mean she not depend not even appetizer or dessert?
She not depend no menu, at least my alien depend the menu, because we don't have bottom, but with them take we are, she not depend none.
Oh, okay.
No taste, no flavor, no spice. Go away, Marcia.
John.
You come like sawdust if people train a fall pen.
For the fall them do up in though.
Yeah. Come like sawdust. When train a fall pen and throw sawdust, Marcia, you the fall and poop pan. You're out of order.
Yeah, bright, come and step to you and about she come for you.
Yeah, if you went to banana trash coil up, it not dry good. You can't wrap up and put pear for ripe. People use banana trash and ripe pear and not even that you not qualify for do.
Jesus.
Where you know about me? Eh? Where you know about me I come talk? Eh? Me not come in a pop, me come in a single.
Yeah, yes.
Me not gang up.
Yeah.
Me a single, me not do peer. Me not do peer, I'm a single master come talk. We not fi gang up on you. My master be more clean, fresh and nice can answer you.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
If you have bush broom, if you have broom, then cut a bush and sweep yard. You not even the Rasta man broom them.
Well, I'm bush broom away. Okay, when them just cut up some bush and then them just use the bush and just
not even the Rasta man broom, the Rasta man they make.
Anna close, Raga.
Oh, Wagwan, Elaine too cute.
Big up yourself, Wagwan, hot and spicy, Raga. They don't know, so they not be trouble hot and spicy when they can walk up and down pan me, you know, them can't do it with hot and spicy, you know. You know, you're watching me, I'm hot and spicy.
No, but Marsha says she's cold and bland. Marsha says she's cold and bland.
Marcia cold and bland, Raga, because Marcia color bad mind, she doesn't know fear, so I have a fear color. Marcia color bad mind, she not even know fear color.
Oh, okay.
No, play with my hot and spicy.
Bright, she bright.
When you can walk up and down pan me head with your foot, we all it. Don't play with hot and spicy.
No, but you did all you want to. You did defend it. You
know about hot and spicy, no normal.
Yeah, hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy when she a come talk about me, said this boy and me, said that boy you. We learn to talk the truth. We are friends. That's what friends are for. Talk the truth.
Yeah.
Exactly. Are you supposed to talk anything you want to talk about me. That not affect me. You're supposed to bust any liberty for me. Can I bust back liberty on you so you can come on your yard. But she can't go for her friend. You go bust no liberty because her friend will throw water in her face. So when she come back out there, you have to gang up. When you have to gang up and team up.
No, my love.
This accident, Rogo is no accident. Accident when you switch the camera. She have the camera up in her big ugly face all along and spin it round like gig.
Just
yeah.
Dr. Mac pretty.
Pretty. That is a killer. I eat a bad minor.
Who does that?
Cause she did come for Dr. Mac though. She make it better though. Yeah.
Bad mind. Bad mind. I kill Marcy, a big ugly Marcy. If you ever went time, so what's up, drop off a tree, bloop and splash out.
And splash out. Plaka, so don't.
Plaka. Marcy, you know, see your face one time, breadfruit the pantry and it ripe. And can't roast.
No, but at times, Spicy, when the sour sap them drop on it, but that not look good, you know. It just look, you know. Yeah, cause it just like whitey and lumpy and spread out. So you understand? Yeah.
And then hot and spicy. When me come on now, girl, I can drash tune and me use her own artist tune and kill her.
Sure.
I need some An Blenda.
Yeah.
I'm not a singer, so I'm not going to try sing. I should come to, but yes, me can DJ. Me no box cover DJ.
Okay.
Me never want the mic for DJ on it. I mean, I'm going to try all the mic to DJ on it. You're supposed to DJ on mic, and you love DJ on mic. Push on the mic, you're DJ on.
One mic we are all is the studio mic. We now all no other mic.
Thank you. No other mic. So, which mic you DJ pan, Marcia? Because since as you are DJ, which mic you DJ pan? And which studio you go DJ?
Yeah.
Like you want about the whole community and DJ pan all of the mic them. And none of them still no fit you.
Who does that, Marcia? Who does that?
And that's
you me attacking, Marcia. You me attack me not attack nobody else.
So when say Marcia go around and act like it look like she DJ upon crazy mic and can't get a hit tune, though.
Up till now she can't get a hit tune.
Yeah.
And walk a DJ.
Yeah, sticky upon some girl, though.
Yeah, she sticky upon you. All you do is walk a scratch off the mic. Them up till now you can't get a bus.
Raga. I do me not like the ANC them, but me like them 100%. Me 8 Marcia 0%.
Well, we know what you mean, okay.
You run out to come talk about say thick skin and broad back. For me skin coming like crocodile. Tough.
Yeah. You can take a beat and turn up, don't.
Yeah, can't take any lick.
Remember say she said Roxy pretty as 0, you know, so me 8 her as 0.
All right then, seeing.
Roxy,
Well,
big up yourself, pretty Roxy.
I will not stop saying Roxy, you're pretty. I will not say Dr. Mac, you come like morning glory and 10 o'clock and blouse and skirt sunflowers. And that means.
Wow. What? No, sir. Dr. Mackey look like them. I said, boy, you like, I don't know what you sound like. You know, you know, like you want big flower bed. You understand? Just pretty so though.
Pretty so. Them pretty flowers there.
Queen Ash pretty too. And J-Bird. Only Marcia alone pan the upper 0.
0 Marcia, boy. So when you run out, good Marcia, because guess what I tell you, you know, they're going to come back for you, you know. But me just
spicy. You see when Raga take we down, she a fly up. Because
Yes,
she
that's
don't make nothing pass her. She must fly up. Watch her and see.
No, it
And
don't
I
look
said,
like she dead boat, you know. It don't look like she dead boat. Me don't know. It don't
me
look
no
like.
A
business.
hide, she a hide with it. And a hide,
Wait,
she a
wait,
hide.
oh, she hide. Oh,
She a hide.
okay.
Raga, it's money was send telegram go gear. I don't care. Cause Wednesday night when we talk, I say any say anything when me not like me, I go run out my find you. And I sit down and I listen to her and she run out, you know. Thursday when me say I say okay, me I go and match them out in my brain. So it's a Monday evening when me send you a request and you come up, and me I go rub out. You come
No, but
like
it
one time
look no.
you use rubber and it dirty up the book. Yeah, the dirty rubber then it rub out the dirty up.
I need stuff and
No, that one the bad. People remember when we were at school and we have a rubber and we are eraser. When we are eraser, just nasty up and black up in all. No, that one the connect. No, that one the connect.
Anyone our friend they want send telegram to give them free. And any corner should have people on and listen. I don't care because Marcy and me no answer tonight. Me answer before the week done.
See it there. Oh, see it there.
Oh, Tana, what you come tell me what you mean by shit in a bucket?
Right.
See it there.
Because
Yeah.
guess what? You know they on TikTok a diamond they come out and so she got the man yard. Go sort out the man and the man not have no bathroom, she have to use the Guinness bucket. Me no they on TikTok, me no use Guinness bucket. If me no no water na the
Well on. Diamond just one mix up that so she go one man yard and sort him out and then she want do.
Last year.
Yes. Yes,
Jesus. Well on, what Diamond say?
You know, not
Well,
Guinness bucket she have to shit in her.
Yeah. If no water in my place to flush my toilet, master, me go catch water to flush my toilet.
Then the man not have no toilet or she did have to get the Guinness bucket to get water.
Him not have no toilet. And she come from social media contract that.
Yeah. So the whole of the rest of TikTok them call her shit in a Guinness bucket.
Who them a call Diamond that?
Yes. Yeah, because Diamond they come and contact Raga said they should go sort out the man.
No, man, I have to go interview Diamond. Diamond, we have to line up something sometime this week. You have to go and tell about that one because I know I'm kind of late. But Diamond, people, somebody talk Diamond and tell Diamond say sometime this week she have to come give Raga interview on the show right here. We need to have a catch.
Popular TikTok but me no remember him name.
Oh, the man here who she go sort out?
Yes, Raga.
Yes, I want a popular TikToker, but me no remember his name. One I drama king.
Well, she call him name?
Yes, man, everybody know who, but me no remember his name. God know.
Jesus, say it look like Diamond never know say him not have no bathroom though.
Right. But Raga, if you have, me know me not have no bathroom, come we have a little small motel. We not have motel money.
Right. So what you think? I him wrong for carry woman in yard and him not in a bathroom?
Yes, Raga. Yes, Raga. You know,
And she use her mouth too much. One to back in the days when people used to use peel. She use her mouth too much.
What you mean? She shouldn't come say it? No, but Ilian, if she was say it, she not say it. That's her business.
Yeah,
that. I mean, she go through it.
back in the days when people used to use peel at night time, but in a me good day.
Roxy say him give her the bucket. No, that rough no. You can't imagine a damn man here and you say, I would love to use where your bathroom there, where your toilet there, and him give her one bucket. No, me not say imagine. Like a man carry a woman by me yard and shell her out and she give him beer style and boom it off and flip it so and turn it so and whatever. And sweat her out and shell her out and thing. And you know some woman, they have some woman, you know, as them done them go and beard, you know. Right?
Yes,
as them done, them not go sleep like them not go drop asleep like Marcia. Them just you know, as them done them.
They want beard. head.
Right? So you can imagine Diamond down and thing, and Diamond said, boy, it look like it stir up my inside, you know, because I need to go use the toilet, you know.
Yeah.
And then the man goes so and say, see toilet here, and Gara Guinness bucket. John, no. John, no. No, that cool, yo. So wait, Diamond said she use the bucket?
Yes.
You're the two only in a chorus. So hold on.
Last but not least, we should go back to Diamond. Dirty Marcia. When you come talk about say Chris Cross, remember my Sato. Let me tell you this. Tricks and trades in a matches box. Me and Chris Cross don't talk about it already and say, we are going to do something for run with. We are going to call in and I'm going like, you know, remember me. Marcia, Chris Cross supposed to remember my Sato because guess what? Me give it good.
But remember, hold on, at times price. Me hear what you say, but remember when him did there, him couldn't pick up your name, do
Raga,
and them plan, you don't understand. She and Chris Cross plan it, oh, you exotic. I want to you, brother.
Oh, weird. About me. I want me to you, brother. If I love her one more time,
that was the plan. We know someone little chink I go there and go say,
Marcia go run with it. Nobody else not run with it. Only Marcia.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
Everything. Elephant brain. Come back to Diamond.
Marcia love run with steel goods. She don't run with nothing fresh.
A beer steel food she eat. When I check the date expire.
Yeah, be expired food she eat and thing. That's not good. That's not going to be healthy at all.
Then she not healthy, Raga. She not healthy. She look like somebody healthy to you. She not healthy.
Then they say the woman cook all kind of something.
Marcia bed prettier than her.
What, Marcia? Our bed prettier than her?
Prettier than her.
I need soap and blender time.
Well, our bed look better than her, though. Jamaican people, we're on a terrible so. Well, Marcia, her bed prettier than her thing. She not stand up beside her bed because the bed are done her, though. The bed are upstage her. Yeah, the bed are upstage her. The bed are upstage her. John. Well, people.
Me no digital credit, me no floor credit, me no deal with backup plan, and me alone come. Me have me big strong back and back up anything.
And if Ilian feel to join you, she join you.
Right. my mother always tell me, say, if 3 girls fight, you put your back to the wall and hold one. The other 2 must run. So you must run. Back up.
Hold the strongest one and bite her in her clot.
Yeah. So you look back up and nobody now back you up. Every time you come here, look back up from somebody, nobody now back you up. Ilian, go ahead.
See there, see.
You come like
Ilian, you say a while ago by mistake.
Marcia, me understand what she said.
Yeah, but me just want you know, say Ilian come out.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Stop it. You not understand this chat understand what she has said. Only you not understand. Marcia go and come for your clot, you Raga.
Well, Ilian, I want to go on tonight with you. You sound like you come for me too, you know. No, Ilian, it sounds.
You correct her because me understand and the chat understand. Say a mistake. Only you understand.
No, but me I say tonight I pay a brother, yeah, but your brother. I want me to your brother or whatever. I be a stylings to my thing in the night, yeah, you know. I want
one. She said, Daddy. What she was saying, Daddy?
Yeah, move shaky. That's why
yeah. You want Raga move shaky, you know? Yeah. We put a check on him, you know? Put a little check on and stop it on him and whatever.
Like when the when your credit done and the woman say, please check your intro, you have enough credit. If you do, please hang up and try making your call later.
Oh God, that rough.
I turn spicy. Lower no, because she done dead already. She dead from last week, Monday, and we about to bury her. Maybe tomorrow we bury her. Yeah?
Tomorrow,
We are going to bury her.
I turn spicy at the grave we are digging now. With the grave digging.
Yeah.
Grave digging I go on, you know. Night done and everything, so grave digging I go on, you know. So tomorrow probably the funeral done.
Funeral, yeah. Anyhow she run out for her funeral are bigger than for Bob Marley.
Jesus.
Yeah, till I run out.
So Elaine, you come just to get hot and spicy support for Don Marcia.
Of course, me supposed to. Me is our only backup plan.
Sure. Oh, okay. Okay, Miss Sue.
Are you not easy?
What?
Hot and spicy, them me did it. When she dey on radio, me did it. You know, see how me and her hang the one what she alone one name cute, too cute.
Yeah, when they shell her out.
See how me deal with her, me hot and spicy. Left, right, and center.
So hot and spicy I chat about Raga, you're not easy. With what?
Yeah, because you come say so Ilian when you come get hot and spicy straight, you're supposed to give me strength time call.
Then I want question, ask one question, I'm free for ask question and whatever. What happened to that? You have a problem with that?
We have a problem, we have worries, because we have been up your face suffer and I go and suffer.
You see my face, Benno?
Yeah, we go for like people are co-conqueror.
Hot and spicy, my friend. My bestie on TikTok.
Yes, my friend.
Me I tell Raga something, so just listen a little bit. Me say, Raga, this morning when me go in the bathroom and touch the water cool like ice. And when me hear hot and spicy, I tell her, so she not be there, so that tidy.
You're going there for me, but the water cool, you just bust a tidy and cut.
Water tidy, Raga. I never know some other leaf we see the weather here. God know. I mean, I have no sweatpants. Me have to go in my closet from yesterday. Jeans pants me have on.
Oh, so hold on, it really cold down there for you? Like all over?
Cool till all my finger cool, my nose cool, me cool.
Damn.
Cool, man. Cool.
Yeah, man, some people. The
on
breeze.
my side, we get more breeze, more than them say rain not fall and more be the whole weekend, so we don't get nothing.
Oh, okay. No, but me,
What you think about this man? May I tell you one story, you see?
Yeah.
One man, me and my friend on WhatsApp. So we don't know each other, you know, in our next country, me that Jamaica. So you know we call and heal up with one another. Him see my picture, me see him picture and them something there. So him always hear me on certain program. And I go talk if I hear a program or I had a program. So
right.
Him and the lady listen. And you don't know what the man tell me, say, who does this, Raga? Tell me how him lady not like me. But if she, and guess what now, the man a put argument to me, say, when him come to Jamaica, me and him can go on with things and them something there. Raga, you and your lady or your wife, and me and your friend Raga, you and your wife are discuss about me and your wife. I say, me not like Killian, blah, blah, blah. She don't know me or nothing about she not like me. And you are going to tell me back what your lady a say and turn around and look me?
No.
Me not go there.
No, let me tell you what I go on. Let me tell you what.
You
say, woman. A man will not say nothing, you know. But woman can feel when the man like somebody, you know. You know, say, I feel for him what I feel, you know. Him not say nothing or whatever, you know. But I feel for him what I feel. Him a put arguments to you and whatever this and that. The two of them listen to the show and hear you and thing and whatever. And him a put arguments to you, you know, on the back page and thing without she know. But she, trust me, she sense him kind of want him a drive for you somewhere. I'm like you in somewhere, you know. So me feel say this or that dislike that for you come from, you know, whatever, you know. When you see she gets so strong about F you and thing, and that she say F you, don't F alien.
Yeah.
All right. You see when him a tell you that now, a theme way that now for us. Let me tell you how man think them way there, right? So your big brother talk to you, know, right? That is theme way for tell you say, me there with my wife, I have my wife, but I want to jump up in your belly and thing. My wife have problem with it, but me still want to jump up in your belly. And this is the other part. When basically I say indirectly, him not leaving him wife, but him want to jump up in your belly. So you must see what go on. And him wife can't stop him from wanting to jump up in your belly. I just saw him there.
Correct.
Well, Raga, me nah put my foot there, so because you know a number one him and him woman a discuss about me or whatever. A woman tell him say him not, she not like me. Him should not tell me about that.
No, what him did think, you know, is how he might be at you certain way, you know, because some woman, you know, we hear that and be like, what she like, what she dislike me for after me not do her nothing yet and blah, 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 blah. You know what? You see, since she don't like me or whatever, I'm going to F her, man.
Me not depend that.
But you not stay so. So it's a high school move. It's a high school move in my drop on you right there. So for you, yeah. I want high school move where
Me just feel so I'm a parrot. I just let me feel. Because me and my man discuss about certain things. Me not go tell the man what me a look. Say, my man no like him and them something. Me not do that.
no, he miscalculate this. So he miscalculate this. So.
Nah,
But
do
just
that.
so you know, some woman I saw them think for true.
Yes.
And by the way, the play what him a make right there, so a woman usually make them play there, you know.
Yeah.
A woman, when a woman, even if she don't want the man, but she wants something from him and whatever, a woman usually I tell the man, neatly I tell the man something, you know, where the other man they supposedly I say about him and whatever and things like that. Or whatever. For the man they draw closer or for him start things say, oh, but from she tell me this, then she like me. You know, so but I usually woman make them play there, you know, so as a man, you know, me no, you know.
No depend that. Me not look female. Make sure I tell him say, although me not have no man, me say 2 man me have.
What you say what? What you say what?
Me tell him say 2 man me have.
I get
And
rid
he
of him.
can't make 3 raga.
Right,
Okay.
get rid of him.
Yeah, so me just have
But
because
hold on, you just tell him that or you have a man with pink flight.
No, me not no man with pink flight, man.
Oh,
Him
okay,
all
okay.
him all hear when you post this, him a say, Ilian, when you tell Raga say a man name Pink Floyd and him a laugh. So true, you know, say me no have no real man now. So that's why I'm a try make a move. But me not depend why I'm depend.
Oh. So since you are at and Spice is so cool and close and whatever this and that. Look how long you have pink fly that do say. You can't work out a thing and get a deal do for hot and spicy too. You just make sure that they go through. Me I talk to Alien. Me I talk to Alien. Me I ask Alien. Me I ask Alien a question. Me I ask Alien a question. Me no want nobody jump in and come by out the argument. So when me I say no. So since you look how long you have a deal do a work with pink fly and them thing there whatever. Well, hot and spice over the. At a spice over there, I got you one severe drought from what they what's this a cool weather, you come compressor, whatever, this and that. She don't even have nothing for work with, probably rub out her index finger that she didn't have no more use right. And probably if you take her fingerprint pan and 2 finger, yeah, whatever, nothing there the way it rub out and thing or whatever. So when me I say, you know where you can't do something for her?
She not depend them something, them man. She not depend it. She not depend it. Remember say you did ask her about it, you know, if she want you to carry one for you. And she said no. So she not depend them thing there. She not depend it deal.
Well, no, ask your friend right now. Ask your friend if she want.
Hot and spicy, would you like a purple dildo?
No, thank you very much. I would have liked the money.
Well, Ilian, so why you go purple? Why you go purple? Why you pick purple?
No, don't buy her a purple. Me just feel. Hot and spicy, what is your favorite color?
No, but me tell you why you not for go purple. When I stop right there, so stop right there, so Ilian, you know what I'm not gonna tell you, I'm gonna say something to you, I'm gonna see if you remember. You don't want to go purple. If you buy something for your friend, you don't want to go purple. Why?
Me no know.
Hot and spicy, tell her.
Because when you get rid of pink fly, they're gonna get a purple one.
No, that is not the reason why. Somebody gonna put it in our chat. Watch somebody put it in our chat right now.
A purple for funeral?
No.
Purple is royalty.
You don't know who watch your Charlie in the chat. You don't know who for favorite color is purple.
Oh, I don't know the person. Somebody. Oh, Marcia.
Because she said she had purple knife set. And purple.
Yes.
Oh, me reach a purple. You know, I said the devil is a lion.
Remember say when she show our kitchen, everything in our kitchen are purple. Marcia, no.
No, secretly you want to be like Marcia, man. You want purple, you know, so you got to tell the woman to go for purple and whatever. No. Secretly you want to come take over Marcia. You wanna forget nothing you can call in. I said 3 days ago when someone did call and said, and you're exact and on point, and you know remember?
Yeah, let me tell you why me no remember true Marcia and our purple not important.
Well, can't bother with them. No, I don't spice. Yeah.
Get rid of that man fast, you know, Raga. When they're not interested, man, get rid of that man fast.
Yeah.
Beg him money.
Me know enough for no do that.
No, but some of them you will beg them at and spicy and them a send on and me no want beg him, me no want nothing from him, me no want leave him and Raga. From me no want.
Because some man when they send on them go text it, you know? Yeah.
Me not depend that. Me nah lead him man.
Yeah. Well, you know, at and spicy, she a go lead him man because she a taking money.
At the money she
at and spicy a go take him money and don't give him nothing.
They will no way no Raga because guess when you come to Jamaica, Raga straight black. Because you tell me say you come to Jamaica 6 o'clock, me black you from 8. Me black you from tonight, you come on man, me black you from tonight.
Okay.
You don't know which part me live?
Yeah.
You don't know which part me live? You show the name when me give you Western Union the right name that?
You see it, I could have your name and thing and whatever.
Thank you very much. You should say phone number, me give my right phone number that?
See it there. Cause you're real coat, you know, at times spice. You think you easy.
Long time.
Well on, uno have most women, well a lot of women, not most, a lot of women, them have 3 names where they work with. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Them have them, so when they meet a man, based on what them feel from the man, he might go get 1 out of the 3 name them. So you have right? Right. The first, the name, them real name, that a 1 name. That a 1 out of the 3. Them real name. So if them really like a man and interested in him get that name then. Right? If a man kind of fall in a nigga like, me like if them want me talk to him, can look like me can get a thing from him, or
Right?
Yeah, him kind of look like whatever, you know. Me don't know yet or whatever. Like the mid-range, you know, such as the person named Sharon, that's our real name, but then we get Ashley in our middle. And then we get Chantal now. If it, you know, Chantal is like, she don't have nothing to do with a man there. Nothing to do with. So you find, say, if that man that come now and go say, hi, Chantal, what's up? Right away, she know, say, it was a loser where she did meet. Right? And if him come and him say, hi, Ashley, what go on? Right away, she know, say, the man did have some little consideration, but him never in yet. And if him call her by her real name now, she knows that she did like the boy.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, but that are the three name thing where woman work with and thing where the woman them who do them something there, you know, who have look a fake name and thing, you know. So somebody posted, one woman post, she said her name is Nadine, Terrian, and Natalie. You see what I tell you? So depending on what they feel what she get from a man, he might go get either Nadine, he might go get Terrian, or he might go get Natalie. But if him come back and ELR, you know, she, and depending on the name where him ELR with, she knows say, you know, boom, bang, bang, bang. See, Shanette say a true Raga and thing like that. That's how it going.
Raga, me have my phone for me, Raga, me put it on silent, Raga. Me give all man all 50 different number.
And you know, make them call your phone, don't. You know, make them call your phone and do that something there, don't.
If you want to call my phone, I don't have my phone for me. The phone in my bag, Raga. Me don't have it for me. Damn yard.
Hold on.
Me don't work with it.
No, all right. We can't. Probably I should not do this, you know, but...
Speak your mind. Speak it from a cost what you're doing. Speak your mind.
All right, let me tell you something. You know, when I think we like, you see me and a woman attack, and she asks for the number. You see, if it's a case where like, oh, you see my number? Okay, save it. This is my number. That's a one thing. But you see, you know, for we just meet you or whatever, and then me give you a number, and you go say you call my number now for confirm. Me not like that something.
Right. Me not either that neither.
Me not like that something. Me not like that
Some
something.
them love call your on spot as you give them the number and call
Yeah, it's a thing out there. Them a call you on spot. But you call me right away for right. You know.
I mean, love your phone number, Raga. Yes, sir. Write your number, give me. Me take your phone number. Because if me take your number, don't expect a call.
Wait, what you mean right? What kind of backward thing that who write number anymore? What I'm to that woman here?
Raga, write your number on a piece of paper, give me. Because guess what? I'm not going to call you.
Yo, people them not. It's only people in them 70s right number. Still right number.
I lie you and tell.
Still right number. I want to Raga.
When they tell me a number, by the time I walk off, me that should have out of my brain. When they write it on paper and give me tear the paper same time.
Drop your grum.
Well, right. dog bite right number and dog bite at 71.
You too late, Raga. Dog bite not so whole. But tell me that dog bite whole before
Dog bite whole
before
Raga love to give people age. I go like I don't know, say Raga love to tell us that person that 100 and person just at 20. Never say Raga love to give people age, you know.
No, but you seem to be branding me. You seem to be branding me as a chronic liar.
I'm not branding you, Raga. I'm just speaking the truth. I'm just saying you love to give people age.
Me?
True, me know me a senior citizen. No, me. Knock your chest. Me. I'm senior citizen, Raga. So guess what happened? I always tell them, listen, me a senior citizen. Me no want no young boy. I want a senior.
And you are senior citizen, me a whole woman with a stick. Where them put one side.
No, the only thing with Atan Spicy, all right, you know, just at her face older than her foot back, you know. She have a little challenge, right?
No, with that.
Iliad, I was sweet. How are you, Iliad? I was sweet. Iliad, I was sweet. Why you laugh for your friend for Iliad? Now say you're wicked. Why you laugh for your friend?
Yes, no, another man. I'm a pum pum a scratch me and me a scratch it so it a
you lie, man.
Your poo poo and scratch your poo poo and scratch off a Raga? No, be careful.
Me
I
I will
never.
read just now. Leave my
I
sister
don't
out of
just
this.
say.
Leave my
other
sister
man.
out of this, right?
Raga is
Ilian,
Exactly.
other man.
Don't
Ilian, no. Atan spicy. Ilian pum
At
pum
a
don't jump for
spicy,
me.
we are brother and sister.
Sister,
Can't
Ilian
jump. The
pum pum no
brother
jump for
can't
me.
jump.
Right.
No,
Okay.
no.
Don't
At
do
a
it.
spicy,
Don't
you
do it.
just lose.
You
You
just
lose.
lose right there, so.
Don't make me rub you, girl.
Yeah.
You can't rub me
Yeah.
because me no clothes and you no washing brush.
Okay.
Because guess what now? Me no want Marcia laugh after you tonight.
You no
Right.
clothes and you no washing brush, so you can't rub me.
Atan spicy, keep by your
Mix me
mouth.
and
Hold
Raga.
on. Hold on. Atan spicy, keep by your mouth. Don't make we send you back to your half a dozen pet frog them here. Bill.
Atan spicy.
Talk.
You see, Raga and Chumpy, don't mix me near with them. We are family.
That's
Me no
right.
family.
That's right.
You see, dog bite, cooker, juice media, and the list goes on and on. You can mix me with them.
Right.
Listen,
We no family.
listen, the saying say, family are your face to your nipple. Below go down a stranger.
Not with me brother and sister them. I want her spicy, I say no.
Now, what kind of
Listen,
foolishness that she talk a while
Atan
ago?
spicy,
What
that
kind of
is
foolishness?
rubbish.
Yeah,
Raga,
be a rubbish and thing. You know, when I alien,
Raga,
you know, see, when she say it, all the dog, them near her, be back, them a back, and I tell her, say, be a
you know,
You know,
foolishness, she a
say
chat a
Atan
while.
spicy need to go take our pressure pill.
Raga, you know for the dog them there, must sit down a river. The dog them must sit down a river back.
That don't mean,
And
that well, but you still thief them, so them still did it, so.
Repeat what you just say, Atan spicy. Because me feel say the coolness fly up in a your head. You know.
Alright, move
Repeat.
on. Next chapter. Me now repeat what me say. Next chapter.
You're right.
All right, listen now, I'm going to take some other call, you know,
Yeah, man,
because
do
it's,
your thing, Ragashanti.
You
Big
know,
up
you
yourself.
know, big up yourself in the call.
Big up
yeah,
all of the
man. Big up the
TamFam
2 on
them.
2. Yeah, man. Big up all time from a straight. Atan spicy. Big up your foot back where you go on with beer things more than your face. And think, Alien, big up yourself. See me, all right? Love and blessings, you know.
Bless
Well,
up.
Alien, looking at the chat, look what dog bite right in the chat. Him say, Alien, call me. See it there in the chat, dog bite.
All
Alien,
right, inbox me dog bite and put your number because me can't bother with who over there, so you know, me just love WhatsApp or on the live, yes, so we can't talk certain things on the live. So
That's
just
right.
inbox me your number and
Yeah.
me will link you. Because for me and you something, man, brother and sister.
Oh, I say, I say liquid Thomas. Atan spicy liquid Thomas say, what me read names? Liquid Thomas say my beg you some castor oil.
Raga, tell him say I don't have any castor oil because them chop down the wall of the tree them. Somebody chop down the wall of the tree them, Raga.
Wait, stupid question. Let me ask. What you mean chop down the tree them for castor oil? What you mean?
I not tree them. Is I not to use and make castor oil.
Yes, sir. I want to Raga go on
No,
like
me
in
never-
foreign America.
No, me never know that, man. Me not afraid for telling them. Me not know
Oh.
castor oil. Me don't know castor oil. My mother use it when me did little bit Jamaican
Yeah,
use it.
yeah,
But me don't know how it
I know.
make. Me don't know how it make.
Really?
Not even up here, you know. Jamaican women up here, castor oil sell up here, you know. And Jamaican women up here, them always I beg people for bring up castor oil from Jamaica. But me don't know what it make. So, you know, there's always some.
I make it a couple of times. I mean, on one day to blouse and skirt, me and go see one my shade. So I go say, who chop down the wall I tree them. We build house.
Oh,
Raga, Cooker
Eh?
alright because me message him much time. Him alright?
yeah, man, in good, man, in good, man. in good, man.
Okay. Big up yourself, Cooker.
What want to use castor oil for?
For ear, I use it for my hair. I use it for my
Oh.
hair.
So what you do? You just rub
Rub
it in
it
like ear oil?
Yes.
Oh. And so what
And
you do? You make the ear grow or make it thick
Yes.
or what?
Well, it make my hair grow.
Oh, okay.
And people use it. Some people use it if they have fibroids problem. Because they say shrink the fibroids.
But how them use that? How them use it? No?
Then put it on panty shield or then say they rub it in them navel.
For fibroid?
Yeah.
Well on, but them put it on them panty shield when them wear the panty shield?
Yep.
So where the pum pum soak up the castor oil and it go up and kill the fibroid?
Same way so.
Yeah. That's what them said.
You know, so me never hear them something that you teach. You not teach me something, you know. So people them say true you talk and thing. Me never know them something.
Just like how you never know about the nipple something what the man them do.
Oh, you said that like me did supposed to know that.
No, you not have to know that.
No, when you talk, fix up that, man. Fix up that when you talk, man. Fix it up, man. Fix it up, man. And I make people go on and I say, all alien I say him should have didn't know, say him forget the nipple clamp when him back him fist. Like you tell me if I go back my fist and get nipple clamp when me back my fist like Zion train, no.
You're not upon them thing there.
No, me not do them something there and thing or whatever, yeah.
Thing. That was back in the days when you used to imagine about the movie star.
Jane Kennedy.
Yes,
Jane Kennedy.
Yes, that was back in the
Yeah. No, back in the day, enough time me about my fist and I think about Jane Kennedy and nobody can tell me say me and Ira do it. You know how much time me do it with her? A whole heap of time me and Jane Kennedy do it and always I do it when me I go in her bathroom at them time that she want it. At them time that she pressure me.
Me do it with 3 man, me do it with popcorn, me do it with Usain Bolt, and me do it with Mr. Wellness.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Alien, you, when you masturbate, you think about popcorn?
Yes.
And when you masturbate, you think about Usain Bolt, though?
Yes.
And you masturbate and think about Brogard, though? Jesus and peace. Alien, we can't manage you sometimes. John, no. Well, Alien, you really think about Brogard when you...
God
Alien.
no.
So when you think about thing, you think about like, am I wind up in night or am I get a facial?
No facial. He must say, take body girl. You think me easy?
Wait a man. I saw Andrew one is go when him wind up in you don't see the lip.
Don't do that.
What you mean?
Statement we make a while ago. This last statement we make a while ago.
What?
Both
First of all, well, I never make a statement. I asked a question.
You see the question we asked a while ago, no ask no.
Don't ask it. Well, don't ask it in reference. Don't ask it in reference to popcorn, UC, and our Brogard.
I'm talking about Brogard about facial.
Oh, okay. So you said don't mention Brogard this. So.
No, you don't care about popcorn.
No, but just ask what she are thinking.
Hey girl, stop
Well,
it. Don't this demand them want me go to bed with.
No, we just want to be clear. Me not this Brogard, me ask Elaine what she a think. Me no know nothing about Brogard. I mean, I need to know nothing about Brogard when it come to them something. Me ask her. So, hold on. But at Spicy, you think Elaine gonna be the first woman who imagine a prominent person that do all kind of sitting?
No, Raga, 2012 me rape off on Dr. Man and you see.
Yeah, don't it? And I know him no know, don't.
And when the man touch me, because I'm not going to go on surgery, when the man touch me, Raga, me say, Jesus Christ, come like current, run from me to straight up, me get better instantly.
Jesus, when you're on social media, you have to use the word grape for refer to that something there, yeah?
Yeah.
Is an algorithm thing, yeah. So Elaine, okay. So Elaine, so you imagine so when popcorn do it, when I do like him him certainly not singing big hit song though, because that would be inappropriate. In other words, him not wind up in a hand upon family. I mean, he said family. You know, alien. Someone I know, all you seeing up in a alien.
Yeah, him just a run like when in the pan track and field.
And just up in a run right up in a down. Jesus and peace, Jano Star. And I know you see no know much time him sat you out no.
You don't know about me, you know how much time me give him because me
You-
account it.
You count it and thing. And go see all popcorn up in your Gaza, me say. Yeah. Jano. Me tell you now, sample, you know. Anyway, ladies, big up on yourself, you know. Love on
man,
you
big up
you know.
Raga.
Know that, all right? Love and blessings, man. Yeah, man,
All right,
cool.
good night, Atan Spicy. Good night, TamFam.
Family.
Yeah, I remember Thursday show over Big Yard, here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Raga.
All right, big up. Okay.
Cool.
Are we in the kitchen?
You see, Roxy, there's an alliance that built right this, you know, between Roxy and Atan Spicy and Alien, you know. Proper alliance right this, you know that. Well, I'm bringing some people, you know. See what I'm going on here, so. I want time for me to leave 9 o'clock. I don't want to hear it from nobody. I don't want to hear it from nobody. I don't want to hear it from nobody. Okay, all right. The show for run from 6 to 9. Anything after 9, I brought her. Oh. Guys, on a poil. On a poil, on a poil, on a poil, on a poil, on a poil. See it all of a sudden the chat get busy. Right? I couldn't know what a man go do him for doing all these things, though. Family. Me say family. Family on me heart. Yo, man, bringing the people, man. Greetings. Hello. Hello.
If you believe that you'll be happier and you'll have some,
Hello.
well, I shall not beg you to stay. Sleep.
When I watch movie or sitting and go right this, I don't know. People don't know for vex if sometimes I leave after 9 o'clock. Jimmy, I bring in every. You see it, I do that something there again, it I show the number of people them in there, but then them no. Alright, who want to come up in the chat because yeah. Anybody who want chat, you have to come up in the box right now. We say Shani. People, if you're not register for Big Yard, make sure you're on the register right now because Thursday. Raga, this is not Peggy. Not what you mean by that. This is not Peggy. What you mean by that? I don't understand what you mean by that. Yo, anybody are forward right now, just come up with a mix up them and things, see? You go see what TikTok are going with. Greetings. Hello.
Raga, go on. We miss you for radio, man.
There, man. I see me there at
Wagwan
the
feed tambourine. Give me something out that tambourine, man.
no, not the tambourine there right now. You know, just I do my TikTok thing. You see me, I say? Yeah. Where you there? Jamaica, you there? A Jamaica,
Yeah,
you
man,
there?
Jamaica, but there now, man.
Which part of Jamaica?
So
Which part
everything,
of
man.
Jamaica? Which part of Jamaica?
Yeah.
Which part of Jamaica?
Kingston, near side of,
Okay.
you said your friend Cassie Boulevard.
Oh, Biggie? Oh, Biggie? Near side of Biggie?
Yeah. Yeah, cross.
No.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
man.
cross Biggie, yeah.
Yeah, but Biggie up here now, you know, so you know how that go. Biggie they up here,
So
you know.
everything, daddy.
Yeah, everything balanced, you know, everything plug in, you know, and light there, you know, electricity there, everything
Yeah, man, me
plug
know
in.
that,
So
man. Me
we
know
give
me up
thanks,
there.
done. We give thanks, done. So the thing set, done.
Well, we just
Blessings,
have
man.
face the coldness down here now. We so have sooner down here too.
Wait, Kingston cool? Kingston cool too? Eh?
Where? The whole of Jamaica cold, man. Yeah, man.
No, but I not cool. I probably just cool. It not cool. It cool. Eh?
Eh?
No,
Why?
may I ask
The
you
whole of
probably I
woman
not
in front cold.
it's a proper cool front to sweep Jamaica right now.
Proper cold front.
No, but you see, you see Jamaica now. People don't know, you know, Jamaicans have a thing, you know, want them to feel cool, you know, them
Yeah,
want to warm
man.
up with them,
Yeah, man.
warm up.
I stroll and see all up on your live, you know?
You know, say you
Yes.
listen,
Yes, somebody have to go for microwave.
No, you listen back on something where you hear the delay the broadcast, you know. See, yeah, that's why when me attack you, the two of we end up attack at the same time. Yeah, listen back on something where you're hearing the delay the broadcast. How you listen about? See there.
A phone, me on phone.
No, man, so how it delayed, so?
No, sometimes Wi-Fi up and down.
I hear
and
Wi-Fi.
And the freeze.
I hear.
Yeah, man, me no use hotspot.
No, but a UFA Wi-Fi or somebody else Wi-Fi I use, right? Huh?
Me not do that.
Oh, yeah, break up. Oh, we not hear you here. We not hear you here. Yeah, it look like we have some connection challenges there, you know. When the fox say, a true, the place windy, the Wi-Fi dropping. Me could think about this for a second because there's actually, you not see it, you know. But even though it moves so fast, when you know say the signal then move from cell tower to cell tower. But to the extent that it's connecting to your phone, a signal is actually being sent from the cell tower to your phone. Now, depending on what the conditions are, what the conditions are between your phone and the cell tower, yeah, it can impact it too, or between the cell tower, between cell towers, or if it come down from a satellite and things. So, supposedly, even excessive heat can affect the quality. It don't have to be wind. You know, I know for, you know, them say excessive heat or excessive cold, them say can affect the quality of the signal that is traveling between the cell towers and between your phone. Supposedly. This is what some of these learned people on these matters had communicated to me in the past. So there might be some truth there, you know? Right. What? Oh. There might be some truth there. Not that the one fox are gonna know about them something. They shall come out like she know about them technical thing there. Hello. Hello? 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 Hold on there. Aunt Peggy. Aunt Peggy, are you that in the chat? Are you that for true, Aunt Peggy? Are you that under the name we're going not? Well, Aunt Peggy, are you that for true? Jesus and peace. Aunt Peggy, we can't believe it. I really you for true. Oh, God. Aunt Peggy, what go on? Aunt Peggy, what? Hey, people. You know, just yesterday, my sister and I were talking. And we both were commenting how our mother died very young, because my mother died at the age of 40. 40. Right? But, you know, my mother is from Mile Gully in St. Mary, not the other Mile Gully one, no, anything, all right? And you hear me telling us, says nothing when you see me, I'm almost here. I'm going to look back and I say, you know, so my mother, I realize my mother that come from. So my mother did poor. We don't have no money. We walk and pick up buckle. She do day's work, wash people clothes and thing and whatever. Clean toilet and thing. She was an insetter, cleaner and whatever. Them something that my mother do for survive, you know. And Peggy, your account that or somebody else's account? Yeah, man, send me a number, man. So my mother did proud of just being a country. She come from country, you know. So my mother is proud. So my mother always tell with, you know, she would tell with stuff from country, but fear thing was country people are the real deal, you know. Like, you know, me born a Kingston and thing or whatever, my sister and thing or whatever. I think my sister born a Kingston. Oh, Aunt Peggy that and Natalie. But, oh, Natalie, but Aunt Peggy did it with you? So my mother did big pan country and things. So we live at Kingston. So my mother had this thing, you know, where when you live at Kingston, but you don't need for no country life. So there was 3 places we had to go every holiday. 3 places. We just have to go them 3 places there. Miss Cherry says so. One was the Institute of Jamaica Junior Center on East Street. And it was like a summer school but them teach a Jamaican culture. And you engage in creative activities, you know? And so when we say creative activities, like for example, we do traditional drumming. So we learn about Dinky Mini, we learn about Gere Benta, we learn about quadrille, we learn about, you know, we learn all kind of something or whatever. Then we had to do art classes and thing, and we had to learn about, you know, one artist where they did Jamaica named Capo. I don't know if anyone know about Capo and thing, you know, whatever, revival artist and thing, him doing painting and whatever. So we were learning all these things about Jamaican culture, but we just want to follow the genius of Miss Cherry, you know. This woman from country, you know, who drop out of Mount Angus primary school and never go to school after that. except one school for learn for typewriter, which she did proud typewriter, you know. And so my mother did big on the Institute of Junior Center, the Junior Center, right, at the Institute of Jamaica. We were also, my mother in a revival church, you know, but we grew up, we go to church every Sunday at East Queen Street Baptist Church. So every summer we had to go to vocational Bible school. No one know about that. No one know about that because from the church, that was a thing across Jamaica. All right? Right? Vocational Bible school. So no one know, no one go that too, right? So we'd have to go to vocational Bible school. Right? Throughout the year, not just in the summer, I had to go to Boy Scout. I show you Miss Cherry, you know, so when you see us, so, you know, the confidence that when me have on that thing of a perform and whatever, it's not by accident. It's the result of the vision of my mother, right? And she was like, you have to go Boy Scout, and my sister did that for she did in a brownies, and remember brownies? And then when you leave brownies, you go in a Girl Guide, right? And me did in a St. George's Scout Troop. All right? I show you that woman here, and I big up Miss Cherry, you know. Right? So my sister did that for go Girl Guide. And then she end brownies, and then she end up in a Girl Guide, and you know, them sell them cookies and thing. And me did in a Scout Troop, and we go camping, and we do this and that, and we march and whatever. But there was another thing my mother insists on that was on come, no care where the money there. Every summer we did have to do that. And we'd have to go country every summer. We'd have to go country. And my mother, Miss Cherry, said, nope, we have to go country. Every summer. And fear thing, you must learn country life, you know. So every summer, we end up go country. Now, my mother did have one sister, but Aunt Tit. But Aunt Tit was kind of special in some ways, you know. We're not getting into that, you know. But Aunt Tit had been in England, and Jamaicans have this thing like when people go England and them can't culturally adjust, it's a reflection of something going on cognitively, mentally, and whatever. It's a stereotype, but Jamaica, man. So my mother was like, when I go country, but on a nasty with Aunt Tit. So you know who my mother make we stay with when we go country? Aunt Peggy. So we stay at Aunt Peggy house. Aunt Peggy, you know? Every summer. And I saw we come for know Aunt Peggy, our husband, Ma Sedley, you know, and our children, you know, Shuna, Humphrey, and all of them, you know. Okay, this is Aunt Peggy number. No, man, send me the number in our message. Here, send me the number in our message. So people, when me telling us every summer, you know, Aunt Peggy was with them, you know. And as we're japping Aunt Peggy, you know, come, eat food. Come, some food, yeah. Right? And I saw Aunt Peggy just surround her with love, you know. And I saw every summer, we have to go tie out goat. We have to go down a Silver Spring for water. It's a good looking walk, go down the hill and come up back. You know, and Peggy teach me how to make kata. And, you know, kind of say, my name is Baffan. You come from town and you're Baffan. So I saw them teach me how to make wood fire. You know, because we have to go, them time there. Eventually, you know, them build up them house and them thing there and whatever, you know. But them days there, and Peggy never have the house where them did end up having all them something there. It's just some umbilical setting them did in that. You know, people don't have much, but you know, have much in the physical thing, but just filled with love. With love, man. And Aunt Peggy just you know, treat me and my sister Marvelyn and me as if we are a picnic and thing and whatever. You know what I said? With all of your picnic them and morning time, you know, and sometimes you have to go pick as some you know as a cocoa as something where you can eat off a tree. It's like you pick it off a tree and you can eat it like a fruit, you know. And a sudden show you bring it and you dry it and then you beat it in a mortar, Marcedly, and them teach me them something there. And yeah, we have to tie out the goat, them and thing and whatever. We have to carry the water, we have to catch the wood fire for roasted breadfruit, chocolate tea, and thing. But it was just a joy. Every summer, you know, say, yeah, go Aunt Peggy house, you know. And, you know, and my mother just, you know, just send him to Aunt Peggy. And, you know, send him a look of thing and whatever, and and every summer with their Aunt Peggy and Ma Sedley and their children. And this little town boy, you start learn all like something them and thing and whatever. Enough of the little thing that me learn from country and whatever. Aunt Peggy, me learn them from. Me not come from country, so I don't really know the something them like that, you know. But enough of the little thing them where when I look back, I was just like great memories and whatever. Aunt Peggy, and then, you know, like dead yard would keep all about, and then Shuna them now would carry go at the dead yard them, you know. I mean, me tell you something, country dead yard, it's yeah, you know, the people in pass and thing, it's, you know, so we condolences to the deceased, but the dead yard them the nice man. So you did have two place, one named Derry and one must name Athlone, something like so. And we used to go, you know, Shuna used to carry me. I look at it, you know, and Shuna carried, but Shuna was, you know, was older for you know. And so at night time we go there, so our sometime, you know, them I say big dance I keep, but big dance I want just them put up bamboo and block off one look a place down where they stand for them. You did have the stand for them, you know, the stand for them down I want shop. That was like the hangout shop. You know, you'd have Miss Ears shop too, you know, which was nearer to where my family land is. But they did have the Stanford shop and back this and then used to keep some look a party and dance and them something there and thing and whatever. Yeah, man, and bands play. And when I say bands, it's one group of musicians, you know, but it just name bands. And what the box name of them sit up and again and the man play the bass. Jessica and Sheshe and them plays that too. What the box name when the Jamaican musical instrument, them sit on one box. And a boom, 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 boom. What a box the name? So you did have that box that would carry the bass. And you did have the banjo. But are two different banjo. You have the male banjo and the female banjo. And then you have the rumba box. And then you have you have somebody that do the kata stick. Depending on where you are, this is more in the eastern Jamaica, but some part of St. Mary did have it too. You have the Kumina drum them, right? And let me tell you, man, when you there at night of them something, man. First of all, you know, sprata fidede. Chocolate tea and cocoa tea fidede. Right? Bread fidede. And fried this and fried that fidede. And then when the singing go on now, you have somebody who is a tracker. I forgot what them call the person who lead the singing. Manish water for the goat for kill with manish water. Right? Now the tracker, for those of you who don't know singing in a Jamaica, you know. First of all, you always have like a community, somebody there who always drunk. It's like every community have somebody who drunk. But that drunk person that I know drop down flat out drunk, you know, is like a lively drunk who give beer joke. Who talk up a whole heap of thing and give beer joke. And then you have people from the community come, them a weed out a area, you know. The weed out a area, bush, them call it bush out a area. Then they will cut down wood and staking and thing and make up seat and thing and get tarpaulin and thing and whatever. Then them get a table and put candle upon the table them, and they full up the table with food in and thing and whatever, you know. So you did have the tracker now. So the tracker will say, Amazing Grace, how sweet the song. And then you have the person who will lead, and that person will say, Amazing Grace. Pass like a chocolate tea there for me. Pass like a chocolate tea there. Where rum there? Where rum there? Give me a rum there, man. I ain't gonna rum and thing and whatever. Tipping rum and if the person dead near Master, this are you know. Remember when you did so and so, you know. I don't this and that. Where that rum here come from? Who make that rum here? One, what if I sit there going, you know? You see where the person stop with the singing, you see when they come back. Yeah. All right. Ready again. Zing Gray. Yo. Let me tell you, man. Singing was like whatever, you know, and Peggy was like, you know, yeah, man, they come from town, man. Carry them go singing, make them go learn and see how we do sing in a country and whatever. And so Peggy and one lady named Miss Tutu. They were my mother's best friends. Miss Tutu and Aunt Peggy. They were my mother's best friend, you know. So, and then Miss Tutu now would teach her how to make coconut oil. Yeah, because Miss Tutu used to do the coconut oil for me and thing and whatever, you know. But, boy, those were some great years, man. Aunt Peggy, bless you, man. So, in effect, you know, at Jamaica, the people who you spend time with, you know, we say, no, them people that help raise me. Aunt Peggy help raise me. And my sister Marvelyn. You understand? So Aunt Peggy help raise me. When I say every summer, you know, every summer with their country. And and when that family drama, you know, because my mother never met me stay with her sister, you know, Aunt It. My mother was like, no, you're going to Aunt Peggy. It's Aunt Peggy. But we are picnic, we don't even know the drama or whatever, you know. We don't know the drama, and, you know, family mix up and all kind of shit, you know. And my mother was like, hey, you're not going to our house, because our auntie, she live at our house, you know. But my mother was like, you're not going to our house. But we go down there, you know. Because we have one river back where our side is. So we go down there and we look for auntie and we did that thing. But my mother was like, you're not staying with your auntie, you're going to Aunt Peggy. So we end up past our house and go, we around and go up Aunt Peggy, you know. And over that side of Miss Tutu did live to and thing and whatever, you know. Blessings to you, Aunt Peggy. Enough blessings, man. Send me a number, all right? Send me a number in a message and thing. Me look out for it and thing. Those were the day. Aunt Peggy, me not mean for. I wonder how old are you now, Aunt Peggy? You probably, yeah, Aunt Peggy, you go. Yeah, probably, you know, yeah. 80s, you know, at least. Conrad Champagne. Are your family them? Ooh, are your family them? Aunt Peggy them? Aunt Peggy them and Ma Sedley them? I'm Peggy, how old are you right now? Oh, Conrad, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Conrad, make sure they send Peg a number where I can reach and Peg here. Oh, your father know them. Okay, all right. Yes. I have to give thanks to them days, you know, because so I have a earthiness to me that some of you must recognize now. You know, despite my achievements and whatever, I am just comfortable with the core me, right? So despite my accomplishments and all of that, and wherever I have been and whom may have a little thing like I'm just at peace with the core me. Now, for those of you familiar with Jamaican culture, you know, that is not necessarily the case for a lot of people who have had certain achievements, you know. They kind of change and function in different ways and whatever. I mean, not, you know, to each his own. Everybody know what they're comfortable with and how they should reward themselves and what adjustments they should make and what accommodations they should enact in their respective evolutions. But for me, I've always been comfortable with the core me. But that core me has a lot to do with country, Jamaica. When Miss Cherry said that was part of her vision, she said, you need to have this. And I'm always say, my mother, she had no idea how much of a genius she was with that in the short time that she lived, you know. Like I said, she died at 40. But in the short time that she lived, and in insisting that I my sister and I, that we, despite living in Kingston, that, we were still exposed in a very real and practical way to rural Jamaica and things like that, to the point where it metastasized in me and became a permanent center, nucleus of who I am. That brings me peace and comfort. Yeah, so I'm very comfortable with, the Kingston street side of me, but the countryside too. That's why I say me just easy. Because anybody grew up a country can tell you, all what go on with Kingston and Montego Bay and whatever, nobody no full of vibes and happy like country people, Nobody no full of vibes and happy like country people, Once them engage in the different rituals, I could have singing, I could have two-man match, I could have wedding, I could have this or that. There's always a gathering. And some cussing a go man, and mix him out good and whatever, and this and that and whatever. Me don't know why you this and that for whatever. Lie it. Go call it, a be something always a go on a country and laughing and joking and all kind of sitting whatever, And country people like, you go country and you leave and them just a give banana, them a give yam, them a give Irish, them a give, and a pile up and you say, no, me have enough, man. And them a say, no, man, come on, you must sit there, man, and whatever, That's something there for a country, man. Any little digging a guan, singing always a guan, and sitting and sinting at me some drama happen, picnic or drop or something or whatever, hear what, Country full of vibes. Let me tell you, country nice, just a natural way. It's in a natural organic way, No, look put on. It's just the way they are all the time. I just saw them stay all the time. And you have different events and so forth and things like that. I don't know if it's like that anymore, but that traditional Jamaican country, rural something, man, You there a river wash and a beer vibes, you know, with the woman them, you know. And them a wash and a work hard, you know, and a beat the big sheet against the rock and whatever and thing. And it still beer vibes, you know. You gone a bush, you gone look food, you gone look, you know, wood for go make fire and whatever. And but it's just a natural thing, you know. But when you look back, you're like, yo, that was just so much fun. And when you're in it, you know, really appreciate it as usual because it's just natural. This is how you live. You get up every day and you live. And you look back on it, you're like, yo, those were some magical times, you know. Yeah, man, so big up my Gully St. Mary, man. Right? And big up, all I want to big up on the country too, yeah, because them days, you know, everybody in a Kingston except uptown people, for the most part, but everybody in a Kingston have a country. And what I mean by that is them have a rural area where them family originate from and thing. Because what happened was, back in the day, Kingston was where the richest of the richest people lived, right? And then, which was the British people, and they treated the Irish people awful. The British people treated the Irish people like crap. So the Irish people were engaged in servitude, and they even, you know, sexualize them and mix them. You know, some of the British them, a lot of people don't know this, actively mix the Irish people who they discriminated against from long time, mix them with the black slaves of Jamaica in order to produce what they refer to as mulattoes, who were still slaves but were higher in value because they were mixed. So Kingston was the center, you know. It was Spanish town first, but then after 1655 and the British, you know, kick out the Spanish and thing, it became Kingston. And I saw you have the top high schools that started in Kingston, which St. George's High School was at the pinnacle, right? And then you had Kingston College, and they have Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy. Those were the ones that lock off Kingston. And they have all these other ones that come after, Holy Family, St. Anne's, and all of them things and whatever. But Kingston was it. So you find, say now, in the rural area them where you have the slaves and thing, our ancestors, when them make life, the whole thing was to go town. So I saw them originate in the rural area, but them come Kingston for make better. All over the world you have that dynamic, you know. You know, people in America, them go New York City, we go town model, them go Cali, Los Angeles for this, Miami for that, Chicago for this, Boston for that. It's the same principle, you know. So you find, say now, that went on for generations. We have all these families in the metropolis, the metropolitan area, or as Jamaicans would say, the corporate area and thing. But everybody in the Kingston have them country. And that went on for a long time, and you know, and that connection was maintained, because there was a thing where you're there Kingston, you must still go country. You must still go country, you know. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Yes, I. So Peggy sent me. When you say 23, your boyfriend said in Kingston people used to go on trip to Ochi, somebody always drunk. I don't know. Yeah, man, when we grew up, man, like going country was a big deal. You did have one bus named Uncle Sonny Bus, right? So we go down a West Street, downtown Kingston, down a West Street at a country bus terminus. That's a back diagonal from Tivoli Gardens then, or what was that, Lizard Town and thing. But really back a Coronation Market and thing. And we used to catch Uncle Sonny Bus. Uncle Sonny Bus was shot it across Spanish Town Road, shot it go up Bagwalk side, yeah, make that little turn there and thing and whatever. But them they turn off and go through an area near Geisel. And then, you know, you have one whole area around there, so when them go, guys, you all have one area named Pump Hole. Yeah, one area named Pump Hole. If you hear the name of some of the places in Jamaica, it's amazing. So we go to Pump Hole, and then you go in one big area everybody know named Gale. But sometimes Uncle Sonny Boss not go through Gale. Them come through one different way when them not go through Gale. Them go near Gale. And when them, they have one way when them come through, when them are come down from Geisel. And then them take the right there now. And then you have two stops where we either come off, either Sheshe or Jessica. But most of the time we come off a Sheshe. Right? And then when we come off a Sheshe now, we have to walk 2 miles, go up in the mount, up in the hills, you know. In time there, no road, no pave or nothing, you know. And you have to walk 2 miles, go up a mile gully, you know. And we know, so once we come over one little hill and we see the pond on our right and the little hill come up, we know so our house did up there, so you know. But we'd have to pass that and go around and go down and pass the Stanford them. And go up and boy, the Stanford them. I am what if I something go on this, you know. I did have one man, I forgot what him name. But when I tell him I have manners to him, man, you know. Every time he get older now, and then start figure out the way if I reach back country for myself, me and show you know. You see how when you want this and that from woman, you know. You know, some you say hide and leave town, come out, you know. That time my mother did drop out though. The mother did drop out. That time my mother did dead. And one girl, me then have one false gold chain and she said she like it. And she said, me never wear one gold chain yet. And she said, you can't give me. And I said, yeah. And me give her, she said, me have to hide it from my father, you know. Because I don't want him see it. And I said, yeah, man. And me give her the gold chain. And we'll put on a piece of French kissing after the gold chain. And you know when you're a picnic and you're young and you get French kiss, nobody can tell you you're not sex you have. A sex you have, man. Yeah, man. A sex you have. When you're a kiss, when you're a French kiss, a sex you have. Nobody couldn't tell you that the goal was just for kiss. You kiss till your jawbone tired. You just a kiss, so 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 you just a kiss right here till eternity. Same thing when we did have me and Miss Rab Sophia did attack. But anyway, and so my mother's name was Miss Cherry. Was auntie sister, right? Miss Beryl daughter. Yeah, if your father want to know. Right? But anyway, me used to make this girl and women never. Me never know outfit, me never want to take Uncle Sonny bus. So when I do me take the nice bus them, the Toyota highest or whatever want name. I'm gonna go Ochi. A thief from Kingston I come country, nobody know, you know. You see me bad? Then they tell me high school me, you know. And me go Ochi, then me take one transportation from Ochi come and Gale. Right? Then me take something from Gale now and make it drop me off a Sheshe. And me walk go up and me tell them time me I stay auntie. And me tell her auntie, no mama, you me come look for. Not a auntie me come look for. No girl pick me around them. But them they, I mean, I don't really say which part them did live in. Okay. But anyway, so me and this girl or whatever, it's a true, you know, like a young teenager and she a young teenager too. I mean, have manners to her father and thing or whatever. But she always big gate. No, he did have one place named Bonnie Gate. But yeah, so me did always have manners to her father and things. So him see me and talk to her, you know, him never have no problem with it. So me go and talk to her. So at night time me go up there, you know. Remember them time me about Yeah, so them time them are probably around about 13. Somewhere around one of you you come in, I tell you, no. Probably around no. Olivia Boys were around 16. Yeah, around 16. Yeah. Like a year after my mother they dead, because my mother dead when I was 15. Yeah. So around 16. People. All this time me just talk to our friend. You know, one night the man come see me sit down beside her. And me just see the man wheel out him machete, you know, man. And she take off, you know, man. And when the man, it's like something in my mind, I say, when him wheel out the machete, it's like something in my mind, I say, you know, him a go do it for frightening me, you know? Right? You know, so the man wheel out the machete and just dive over, you know, and for chop me, you know, I just get up so boom, you know. Like for chop me, you know, man. I'm just get up and jump on the way, I'm frightened, you know. I say, I had about 16, you know. So I just start to run, go down the hill and I him that, but him in a water boat, you know, and them time there all of the countrymen them wear water boat. So he couldn't run fast like me and think. And I just bowl go down, you know. And the way I'm frightened and think, at night, you know. People you know say the way I'm frightened and afraid and whatever, man. I just take up all my things, man, and tell Auntie, say me and Auntie, I say, where you go them time of night? And I say, I have to leave. I'm kind of wiser. I'm a Lego. I'm walk all the way from Mile Gully, go all the way over Gale, because once I reach down a Sheshe, you couldn't get nothing. So I have to walk from Sheshe, go all the way over Gale, and as some get something from Gale, go out here and thing and whatever. And so when I tell people about it, they must say, nah, man, you know. They must say, no, but no, a man, no. When in them time, I tell people about it, they must say, no, man, I saw every father stay with them daughter, man. I saw every father stay with them daughter. But then when them hear the details, I tell him, say, no, him literally did a chop me for chop me and whatever. This and me jump. Like if me never jump, the chop would have go right down in my head and whatever. So once them hear them people, I say, no, sir, something not sound right there, sir. So them say, what you did I do? You and I did I do? I say, no, we just sit down beside each other. And I saw people, I said, no, man, something not sound right there, sir. Right? So at first, you know, once them hear say, the girl father rush you, and everybody, I want to a regular thing that, father, you're going to man daughter and whatever, and this and that. But then when me tell him the detail now, was say him die for chop me like any other chap that they come with that chop me not too. Me not exaggerate. People I said, no, something not right there, so you know. Something not right there, so. People when I go in on the details and things, you know, no saying at the end, we find I said that man him did have two daughters. Yep. Confirmed. Yeah, and I long after, you know, because apparently the mother did find out and him apparently him did tat up the mother. It was one of them things that where the mother did just in the house and dependent upon him and afraid of him. And you know, say that man end up in an entanglement with a respectable man in our community and him chop up a man, kill him. Yeah, the same man never chop over me. yeah, him, him end up in it was a big thing in the community. Probably we shouldn't even say that because when people are going to know who know. And him end up like chop up a man and unalive that man there. And I saw now people I look back and I say, Kingsley like, here, yeah, him see a man, And I said, John, you escape one again, man. And I say, he looks at them, so them I said, nah, man, you did serious. And I saw now people that start to say, no, them know about the unaliving there, but them I say, I saw him stay a long time because other people get chopped up, Yeah. And he make me never go back to country for a long time. Yeah, a long time I never go back to country, man. A long time I never go back to country, man. And thing, until him did out a picture and then me a couple of times I go back and I go look for my mother's grave and thing, And sitting, whatever, Them days there, we give thanks, don't. Nah, man, we show back when I'm afraid you're freak and whatever, man. And people may tell you, just imagine I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna jump when feel the cutlass go so bam in the concrete, concrete, where we did sit down pan and thing and whatever. I just stop, bolt down the hill and him come after me, but he couldn't run in a water boat, man. And what me tell me scared, I'm if you tell him couldn't run in a water boat. Couldn't run in a water boat and then now, which part me come down now, after me come back and I have to turn left to go my yard, which part my people them come from, auntie. They did it at that time then. So after me get my things now, me have to pass back the bottom of the hill if go by where me I go. Me tell you say, me auntie I'm a mountain cause remember say a beer bush there so now, so and people run out pan you and thing and whatever, so but anybody that listen to me and them know who they chop up who and whatever, them ever know who, and thing and whatever. Yeah, where that man used to go on with and thing, man. Crazy. But we give thanks, though. Raga, do you know Carol from Mile Gully? No, we not really know people like that, so, I remember say when me used to go, them was picnic. And me a old man know for enough of them people, Yeah, me a old man know for enough of them people, whatever, But of course, Aunt Peggy is like a mother to me, So what happened to him eventually? Say, well, I know say him gone, but I think say somebody did if him never go jail, yeah man, him did go away name from the unaliving there, from what me didn't know. But me know the police did hold him for that. What happened to him after me no quite remember. But me know say him drop out, Know him drop out, and thing, so. Yeah. So when me get my license gun, me go back and I teach and get my license firearm and thing and, go range and, know the something them know, whatever I see. So when I go back and I tomb my mother one time, I tomb my grave, because I see my mother do that, so me grow up and do it too, It named tombing match. It's like a ritual, it's a thing. You tomb over your people in grave. You either tomb it, if it never tomb or you tomb it over, So I did a tomb over my mother's grave and me invite my cousins and my relatives to tomb over Finn's mother too, because my mother buried beside her two sisters and her mother, so 4 graves there, So when we did, whatever, and this and I look at things going on, I'm sit down somewhere, eat some food. So I'm take out my gun. I'm gonna put my gun in, my foot and I eat some soup. I remember, a certain person come and I refer to that man there and thing and whatever. I say, and if him did alive now and come here now, he couldn't touch you now, whatever he did, I was empty that in him though. remember, and I say, yeah, no, so I said, no, I would a different thing now. He couldn't come here with me now, yeah, man. Yeah, I would a different thing right now. Because, we don't take no check, pitch that if you pitch that, you understand? Yeah. In time, why? But country for me, people may tell you something, I don't want to feel no way, I'm share it with them already, but I swear to God, I don't mean this in a morbid, insensitive way, whatever. But singing and Dead Yard was so nice. It was just so much fun that when me go a country at summertime, my thing was like, nobody not drop out, yes. Yeah, nobody not drop out, Yes. Never mean it in a mean way, you just like, when some people won't admit it, but it's look weird. And when singing go on, people bring them food and pile up with the food too, because you have to guard it, because people come with them Tupperware and all and something there and gone with them food up with the curry goat and gone with this and that. So you have to watch your food and thing, you have to watch your fish, you have to watch everything. And people just sit down and time pedal the pot, and full up and cut pan, seconds, and thing, and some people that get food yet and thing, and the rum, problem, man. But all of that made it fun, No, man, back in them days, man, let me tell you, this whole thing I would Dead Yard play electronic music, them play. Now, Dead Yard, 99, them play, digital music and thing. But back then it was just singing and drumming, and it was this natural thing, the kata stick and the drumming and the thing and whatever. And everybody has sing and nice this and then the dancing and the wake dances in Jamaica. In the West you have Gary and over the central come the east and whatever, it's Dinky Mini and things. So when people are do them, and for them it's just a natural thing, Bessie down, Bessie up, whatever and thing like that. Yes, Sunday I know Kali. If I see him Kali at that. Go down Emmanuel Road. Yeah, man, band still play and people still dinky, not as much as before. Yeah. Anyway, people, in Humorous, right? Yes, again, down. All right, big up on yourself here. Love and blessings, man. Big respect. Cool. All who wanna join Big Yard, make sure you join. Thursday show, we're going to try for the Thursday show. Mile Gully St. Mary. All right, spiritually blessed. Big up. Cheryl bless large up. La Vita Lota. Marcia good as big up yourself, Shanae. Zodi. Good night, Hyacinth. Yeah, people, make sure you join over tamfamyard.com. Tamfamyard.com. If you don't join over there, you won't be able to view Thursday's show over there. It's free. You can join or subscribe. Tamfamyard.com. Do I know Above Rocks in St. Catherine? Drive through it, but I don't know it like that. Chokesha. How that name they look so yeah. Oh that what? P and clear? Oh that. Oh, ship and clear. Oh, ship and clear. Okay. Anglia business, Marcia. Anglia business. Oh, yeah, man. I mean, Above Rocks is a well-known place, you know. People drive through. This all the while. All when Bagua block up and all these things, you know. You know, people have to go up and go around and come around the side there, you know. Come down radials and things, you know. Colin Click, big up yourself, you know, my brother. And Tasha, Miss K, proper. Happy birthday to you, Miss K. Yesterday was your birthday. All right. Yesterday was February 1st. I saw, yeah. Right. Well, Valentine Day, I come up and big up all who are line up for Valentine Day and thing and whatever, you know. I'm going to be right in here. I keep my little self quiet, you know. And leave on for doing the Valentine Day thing and the excitement and all these things, whatever. All who knows upon Valentine's Day, upon Valentine's night, when I go busy, I burn calories. Say me. All who knows say, Cookie man just you want to keep me company. Cookie me I got tired, man. When you're done with me I got tired. All who know say February 14th, that night there, when I go busy, I burn calories. Post me. Nikki say me. Yeah, all right. One of the thing is Nikki. Cookie man just a mix up, you know. So what happened if I'm tired, you just go sleep after. What happened to you, sir? What you mean, Cheryl? What you mean not me? Come on, huh? Dr. Mark. Christina, what you say? You're going to be opening up portals. Maddie. Open up the portal, yes? Good. All right, Cheryl. Marsha with a purple rose, what you mean? Yeah, no. God. All right, people in Amara, seeing blessings and respect, you know, safety and protection, all right? Baby lips, when you say I come over, Lord Jesus, baby lips, a problem, you want to get me in a dog? Eh? Baby lips, the problem, you want to get me in a right there, so. Okay. Okay. Always I working in Morris, people. And everybody a ball out about cool. They don't draft your life blanket, man. Yeah? Draft your life blanket. All right, cool. Morris.